It's
Yeah.
in the chat.
All right, cool. Let's check this out. This
It's
one
in
is,
the 24/7 live trading chat. I just posted in the live trading chat.
let's see.
Yo, what's up?
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm fine. I just came back from my traveling, and next week I have to go, hopefully, to Spain.
Right now, what's I put for the round number?
How's the celebration going over there?
Post
So do you say
quantum
something? The
cryptography.
connection is really bad.
Yes, I see. Post quantum cryptography. Quantum computers pose a serious threat to security and privacy of the internet. Encrypted communications intercepted today can be decrypted in the
Yo,
future by sufficiently advanced quantum computers.
can you hear me?
Okay. You said
Yes,
the
sir.
routing
We
number
heard.
is 021 0089.
This is interesting.
Yes,
Advanced.
of course.
Far to my knowledge range. I don't know nothing about none of this.
Oh,
I
okay.
mean,
Yeah, all right. Domestic wire instructions. All right, I see it. Yep.
The way
All
of
right.
post quantum key.
021
And so
0089. Fake name.
as quantum security is about to actually become a thing now, they already working on all of that. Quantum is about to
That's
take
what I'm
over
telling you.
everything. It
Yeah, I
goes
know.
deeper than what we even
Yeah, I
realize.
copy and paste. I
But
see
now
it.
it's just the beginning for it.
And then
Yeah.
This
So
this
and
how it
then
I
works
already
though,
know
huh?
account
it's gonna
name.
be big.
Right. So it's
It's gonna be real big.
so now the intermediary bank, right?
Cloudflare.
Is,
can the others go to mute so I can listen to Billy, please?
intermediary bank is Charles Schwab.
And can someone turn their mic?
Intermediary bank.
Yeah.
Intermediary bank, or I should just put it down. I okay.
You can individually
So
turn
I'll just put
individuals down.
As you will succeed. You will
okay.
succeed.
Yeah. Now I'm wondering if
Yeah, if you hold on to his profile, you can mute it.
Everything's
What's
slowing
going on?
down now. Okay, look at this. It's crazy. It's looking good. They really picking things up this morning. I'm trying to see this Bitcoin explode.
Which one you looking for, Billy?
I'm
All
looking
of
at
Which one?
I'm looking at Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is stuck at this. It's stuck right under 96,000. It got to break past here. If it can just break past this one point, it's going to start to shoot up towards like 98,000. I'm finna be up like 1,500% in Bitcoin. My leverage. I'm excited. I'm also watching. I also got Hollow and FFIE both up like 100%. FFIE finna come in for a super move too. If y'all remember how FFIE used to do back when a few months ago, that's what got everybody so excited about it. FFIE. Look at this. We're in 1 minute chart. Look, this is moving exactly with Bitcoin. I'm telling you. FFIE is moving 100% with Bitcoin right now on every movement.
Damn, who's that talking over there?
Somebody somebody send him a message, man.
FFIE almost at $5.
You can't mute him, Billy.
Somebody send him a message, man.
You can go to his page and mute him manually. I just had to do it
Oh,
too.
Billy could do that.
I just did it. Did it work?
Yeah.
I think so. We don't hear him anymore.
No, it's not working, Billy. He's super loud. I can't listen to you.
I
I
think
did.
it's done.
Did it
Now
work
he
now?
Click
just
on his
did.
profile and go to mute.
It's already
No, he
done.
did.
I don't hear her no more.
I think Billy did it.
Does it work
Yeah.
now?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And
It's
let's get
perfect.
back to
Thank
the
you.
money
Yeah,
night.
it's good.
It's money night. That hey VOR. VOR got a
VOR.
100% rate. It got a 100% rating
Everybody
on
just hit 5
right
bucks.
now. That's crazy. I'm trying to see if anybody like know anything about this company.
Seen VOR before. This is a pharmaceutical company. This company don't really
Yeah.
do too this it don't really do too much though. I don't know if they ever got any bad approvals or not. But being a therapeutic man, they ain't got no value. They got 600 they got 6,000 in value right now. I don't think they finna be making that move today. Not today. They gonna need some value. But you got FFIE that just got over $5 up. FFIE.
That was me asking earlier too in the chat, like, how can I make a buy like when it's going like that? You can't do that, huh? You gotta wait till the market open.
Yeah, you could get in there right. You got what you want. I mean, what app you use?
Like I'm on Robinhood.
Oh, yeah.
Like you can make a
You can
limit
buy that
order,
seven.
but I think it's not gonna fill until the market open. You know what I'm saying?
Why you
It
be using
depends. It
Robinhood?
depends what kind of. If you have a cash account, you can buy that seven.
Yeah. Oh,
7 Eastern time. Yeah. You need to call them and change it to a cash account. I did that not too long ago.
okay, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
No
Mhm.
problem. Damn, where's
FFIE up
FFIE
120
going?
to the moon, man. This is crazy.
Right.
This is crazy. We're gonna go crazy.
Right.
I found it quite interesting. I tried to place an order for Galtanic Therapeutics, and it didn't get it. It's going up slightly. It's GALT. I think that's
GALT.
worth look. Yeah, I would like to hear what's going on there.
You said
GALT.
GALT?
See,
GALT, A like automobile. Sorry
Got
for
see.
my pronunciation.
Galactic Therapeutics. This one right here.
Yes.
It just when did you place your order today?
No, on Friday, and I couldn't get it. I have 2,125 stocks, and I wanted to double, but didn't get it.
What price did you place your order at?
Let me check. I placed my order for 1.18 euros.
Oh yeah, that should have got filled somewhere in that day, but it looked like they ended up even if they did pass your position, they went back to retest it. But it be like that sometimes in these low volume stocks. Like this one here, it ain't really got too much volume in there, so maybe the people not really noticing your order. They just going around it. So what I do when my order not getting filled, you could go
Yeah,
back and modify it. Like go back, put it up a penny, put it down a penny, put it up a penny, put it down a penny,
yeah.
and stuff like that. It'll help
Uh-huh.
it get filled quicker.
Ah, okay.
Remodify it back and
Because it's
forth.
not. It's okay. Okay, I'll try it. Try it out. Thanks.
Yeah. But again, this one
Because
only
I
got
wanted to double. Because this will go rocket. Yeah, I'm pretty
yes,
much sure. I
yes,
looked at the clinical trials, and yeah, that looks really good. Very promising.
yes. This one getting ready to fill up that gap towards $2 very easy. It's gonna be a slow one
Yeah,
since attention is on other stuff today though. You know what I mean? But this is definitely the early seat in there. Early seat.
yeah, yeah.
That's very good. That's an easy one right there. It'll never be this cheap again either.
I think so. Yeah.
Let's see what else getting ready to explode. Some upcoming swings. It's a whole list of these things.
Are you sharing your screen? We can't see anything.
When I look for stocks, I don't look at the most actives or the top gainers. Um, I look at the 52-week lows. It's all about the stocks getting down to the 52-week lows first. These are the next ones in line. I'm sure that many of you already just seen that if y'all ever seen my videos and stuff like that. And they do this and they do this. They go down to a discount and they come for an explosion. They're gonna start slowing down once they flip that gap, wherever they dove down from. Most of those shorts that push that thing down cover those shares up, so it slows down there. This one right here, I see 2 cents got to get to $1. But if you already missed out on this, it's not time anymore. It's already done came in for his run. Not to say it's too late, because you look at a bigger chart, it's on a big discount here. In fact, it hasn't even gotten started yet on the bigger charts. But it's too late for us as swing traders because our swing trade time frame is already overbought. So we don't have a choice but to go for the next thing in line. And although we are already holding in on some swing trades, what I do is on Thursday, every Thursday, I put out the next set of upcoming swing trades. Some people may even be able to get those sooner than me. So you can get those on Thursday, Friday. They'll be exploding into the Monday, and then you can catch the next things on that list, and then be having the portfolios ready by the next Thursday. You don't got to get them all. Get what we get what we can while we can. And we're looking at this list pretty early. I mean, like it's the market ain't even open yet. And the best time to look back at the 52-week lows is right towards the after hours, around like 2 o'clock before the market's open. I mean, before the market's closed. And that's when you get all the active day traders to be done with everything. But right now we're looking at the ones to be still coming up. Like this one right here, Mullen. They go off the 52 lows. Every stock on this list is finna get ready to do that. But they got different stats. And I'm specifically looking for ones that got lower stats. Like this one right here got a free float of 27 million. That's a high free float to me. It's a high free float. I'm looking for something like around 1 million, maybe even lower, while it's still the low and over so with volume starting to pick up slightly. Volume to still be under the average volume. If you got volume under the average volume, once it picks up over that average volume, pick it up over average volume, then it'll start to explode. And once that volume meets up with that free flow, it'll start to explode. Once volume get over 1 million to pop up on everybody's radars, they be having their scanners and stuff like that set for a stock to hit that 1 million volume. Try to avoid
What you think
biotechs and
about
stuff like that.
HRVR, Billy?
I think hover the next big thing.
I
Uh,
see.
hover is definitely the next big thing. They got
But the whole EVTOL market went down at the moment. They're taking their gains. So Archer went down, HOVR went down. They're all going down. Even the German one, the penny stock, I made a good cut on that one. It also went down. You
which
have
one
to
was
stay
that?
calm. They're taking this Lilium. This is a penny
Ah,
stock. It's a German one. Yeah, but I made a really good cut of 80%. It's quite good, but it's super risky.
You think HOVR is a swing trade?
Yeah, this will go up. Let's
Okay.
go target $8.
Wow.
It's the same. It's the same story. It's the same story like Archer.
Okay.
And as already Billy said, we should also invest in the big ones like Lockheed and Boeing. I'm pretty much
Bowen.
sure that they will
Yeah.
go up because Elon Musk will go into this market for sure. He's not stupid. He don't stay with his cars.
But you say GALT. What makes you think that one like will fly? Is there any news, a new
I
approval,
looked
or
at,
anything?
I looked at the trials, and this is a long swing. GALT will not fly tomorrow, but it's a long swing,
Okay.
Very wise.
and you will not make it. You have to wait.
So long swing to you is what?
I would say $5.
Okay. No. How long is long swing to you?
Oh, 3 months.
Okay, I see. That makes sense.
And as already mentioned, oil and gas, every market will go now for protective. So America will go fully with Trump also on oil and gas. So Warren Buffett has already invested in Occidental Petroleum. So if you go on that market in energy, it will also, I mean, you will not get these penny stock revenues, but you will make your cut.
Bitcoin starting to pull back just a bit, just a
What did I tell you,
smidge.
Bill? Bitcoin is what? In a few months, I gave you a price.
I don't remember what price you said all those months ago, man. I go through a lot. I go through a
Oh,
lot of
I told you
tickers.
that a few days ago. 130.
130, you say, huh?
Mm-hmm. It would be like 10,000% for
I
you.
was just thinking that. I'm like, man, that'd be the day. Yeah, I can't wait to that moment. I'm trying to see this happen right now.
It's such a pity. I cannot get any cash into it. I'm waiting for Coinbase to get a wallet. It's horrible in
Yeah,
Germany. It's not possible to get one
in
into this
Germany,
crypto
why?
market at the moment.
You
Yeah, I
gotta,
don't know.
huh.
You don't
I'm
want
in
to
the
use
on the waiting list. And
crypto.com?
no, it's not possible for German residents to get these cash app or this stuff. It's not possible. So I cannot load my app with coins.
Did they let you get, did you ever, did they let you get Coinbase.com? Did you check that one out?
No, it's not possible. It's not possible. I tried to go at Coinbase, and they have such a run in Germany, whole Europe.
What about
Mm.
crypto.com?
I tried Binance. I have an account on Binance to get money. Then I have now changed now for Margets, but and Coinbase I'm on the waiting list. And I had eToro, but eToro is now changing their wallet system to a new deposit, which will happen on 21st of January. I think then Billy's already a millionaire when I will have my Cone wallet.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. So I'm in with crypto. I can't do anything, or I can buy TRX or so. Yeah, of course with eToro that's possible, but I can't do any option trading.
Yeah, that is crazy how the different countries are regulating and stuff like
Yes,
that.
living in Germany, not America.
Yeah,
I can tell you.
Yeah,
yeah,
Germany,
I
they
would
kind
never
of
know.
strict on a lot of things.
Yeah, Europe is very regulated, guys. You can't imagine.
It's all slowing down right now. Market's gonna open up for 25 minutes. 25 minutes. FFIE is moving extremely close to it's literally mimicking Bitcoin right now. 100%. That's crazy. I've never seen anything like it. Let's see what else exploding now. Yeah, Algo.
Sir, yes, sir. I'm about to have my brother. He about to join the family.
Oh yeah, man. Teamwork, excited for him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I had to show him what we're really about. How's
Yeah,
everybody looking today?
everything exploding.
Yes, it is. Everything is going bonkers.
I'm getting IWM puts at 9:30.
You think IWM's crashing? What's going on with it?
I
I ain't
mean,
got my chart in
if
front
the
of me.
markets if the markets are bullish and overbought at 9:30, they can reverse. Easy puts.
Easy puts. Is IWM still up there at 220?
Let's see. IWM is at 222 pre-market.
Oh yes. Yeah, they bullish as hell in the morning. You see Bitcoin trying to make a run too.
I think it's crazy that people actually buy shares for IWM and SPY and stuff like that.
Yeah, I know. Say, man, that would be such up and down.
There's so much worry in there, you know what I mean? Like one, you gotta be trading with the biggest amounts of money. For sure, for sure. But so much worry in there. You getting shares of those things and they only going up 0.2% and whatnot.
Right.
But yeah, you got
I want
BTC
to see.
having a bit of a pullback right now. Just a smidge. They're really pushing it back up right now, but it's looking
Yeah,
crazy.
they
It's
had a
looking crazy.
$1 billion inflow into the ETFs.
Yeah, it's crazy. They're going crazy on the ETFs.
$1 billion inflow yesterday. And Michael Saylor on top of that. I would love to see a nice crypto run, man. I ain't gonna lie, Ethereum is looking bullish as hell. Ethereum is looking very, very well. I guess when Bitcoin runs, it all runs, right? Bitcoin dominant.
Yeah.
Everybody nervous around this time, huh? I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you drink? Hollow wants to fly. Anybody owes XRP?
Nope.
No, not me. I was an XRP, but I sold. I might get back in though. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's gonna come back up.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. I think I'm gonna get back in just in case it do explode, like everybody been saying,
Hmm.
just so I don't miss out if it do run out.
It's going to explode. XRP is going to explode. It's going down to like 190, 185, and it's gonna come back up. And it's supposed to go up to like $10.
Yeah, it's gonna explode.
It's gonna go all the way down to 190, 185. So that's about as low as it should go. Explode.
Hell yeah.
You want to hear me?
If it even do go that low, about that 190,
Well, it already
195.
went. It already went. It already went. Yeah, it already went. It
Oh.
hit 199. I think what's this
Oh yeah, the other
on the
day, yup.
30th? It hit yesterday.
Yup, I see.
Yeah, so that's it. It's going up. This the run right here. That's
Oh,
it.
this the run?
That's it. That's
Oh
it.
shit, everything about to explode. This is it. Cause we got
Yeah, this
Bitcoin
is
running
it.
back up too right now. Even as soon as you said that, you got the magic words.
Yeah.
This the
Hey,
I just
what's
went
going
in
run.
and
on,
looked
guys?
at it
Okay.
after I heard her say that. Yeah, that's what I was looking for too. It to go down to that, hit that mark.
I do not like this dip going on
I'm
with
gonna go ahead and buy me a
FFIE.
little bit right now. Hit the homie up, let him know.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Can anyone hear me or not?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Yeah, so I'll look. Yeah, so my name's KJ. I got a software background. Also got and I got into like stock. Like I think November when I saw these AI stocks going off. I was like, yo, let me get in. And now I'm in. I learned about fundamental analysis and all this stuff. So I was wondering if anyone's trading with AI. I'm looking at this stock right now, OPTT, right? And they just secured a government contract with the military. I got in at 67 cents, and I want to get more. Like I did a wire transfer. Like I want you guys to look at this stock because if anyone knows RGTI or SoundHound, I feel like this stock is going the same trajectory where the stock is just low. It's a penny stock, right? There's no volume. Then all of a sudden, there's tons of money flowing into the stock. So I was wondering if someone could help me do a analysis or anyone give me any thoughts
OPTT has
on
been having some of the most bullish news coming in for a very long time. Not only just this year, but even back into the last year, they've been coming out with a whole lot of bullish stuff. Ocean Power, they're making those water buoys that they make generate electricity as well. So with those, with them making the most renewable type of energy in the world, using water to turn on water and electricity, and they getting their military deals. Those military deals that OPTT got alone makes them an outstanding stock. This makes them one of the most vital things. Any company you ever see coming in for the big military deal or a military contract or a military sponsor or a government anything, that's going to be the next big thing. That thing is not going to just be stopping at this 116 that we looking at here. OPTT getting ready to go towards those $5, and I can show you some exact ranges that we talking about here. Check this out. You see my screen?
Yo, facts, yo, 100 facts though, 100 facts. Like, oh my god, yo, cause like it's the same with farming. Yo, so I lost. I'm gonna tell you my story, fam. I lost
Yes, sir.
hella money in farmer, bro. Cause like FTA, yeah, I hear you. I see the screen, yeah, yeah, you showing that shit.
Oh,
Yo,
yeah. So check this out. Check this out. So you got OPTT right now is facing this big resistance. Notice where it's slowing down at. Around this $1 range, it just broke past this $1 range. This is a huge resistance point. Once this thing gets past this $1 right here, its next stop up
yeah,
will be around 150. If it can get past there, you're gonna look at every resistance point being where that next big sell-off point was. It's gonna be slowing down at every single point there. Now we got this thing that's gonna be going up to a max about that $5, $6. Like I say, around $5. That's where stock gonna get that real battle at. So you got that dollar, you got $5, then you got about $10, $11. Those are the big key levels for big whales and long terms and whatnot to decide if they really like that stock or not. OPTT will go well beyond that. Look at the OPTT will go well beyond that. That's if it
yeah. So
remains with a bullish sentiment though, because it's bullish right now, with all the eyes on it. And take note that this thing is starting to peak up here. And now that this stock is overbought, you're about to start to see some bearish divergence start to get made. You got your RSI overbought pushing down. You got your MACD indicator coming in for the next form of bearish divergence down here. Once that yellow MACD line get to cross over that blue center line, well, it's a big dip that come in until that RSI go back down to Rousseau either way. So those are things to keep in mind as well. But this is a very powerful stock. This one got a big following around it. People want to hold this up for the long term. Massive in short interest. This is a huge short squeeze target still. What we just seen here was nothing. In fact, we've never even seen a short squeeze before. What we be seeing in these stocks, those little 50, 100% whatnot, those don't be short squeezes. Those don't even be gamma squeezes. Those just be like, these be rounds of short covering. These be rounds of short covering. Then you're gonna get that gamma squeeze to come in. Then it's gonna come in that short squeeze. That short squeeze is one of those. That short squeeze make a stock go up like that. We've never even seen one of those in our days. We only see gamma squeezes. But yeah, gamma squeeze ahead, bro. 100.
yeah,
100.
yeah. Yeah, like some of the terminology, right? It's just, oh man, like yeah. What I'm using for my analysis, I'm using the RSI and the ATR. Well, I don't think the ATR is useful at short ranges, right? The ATR has to be used at a longer range, right? Because
I don't know about no ATRs, bro. I've been using the RSI
it's
and
like,
MACD my whole life. You know?
If
yeah,
I
so
Yeah, RSI and MACD my whole life. I mess with the VWAP if I'm finna wake up for the early morning, for the early morning day trades or something like that. You know what I mean? But other than that, I don't even mess with the
all right,
EMAs. I don't even know about no EMA 5000s. You can't indicate with too many different indicators because it's gonna throw off your indications as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I use a 50 point SMA. I use a 50 point SMA to like see because like usually when the buy-in stops, when the volatility stops, the stock always wants to go back to the SMA. Yeah, the 50 point SMA. Right? If you're trying to day trade. So it's like, that been helpful to me. Like, all right, this is a dip I could get into. And then you can see like the chart indicator, like the bullish engulfing or the hammer. That's a good entry point. When any for me, I try to get. I think my strategy now is when I see the chart indicators such as the hammer or the bullish engulfing or the
Yeah.
under the SMA. That's the
Uh-huh.
good time to get it. So and you see the dip because it's always going to come back to the SMA, bro. It's always because I be seeing the dips in the stock market. I'm like, what the fuck is that? I'm like, when you see a dip and it's under the SMA, oh man, so like, dude, I thought like trading, was like magic, but someone just told me fundamental analysis changed my fucking life, bro.
That fundamental analysis don't really mean too much to a swing trader though. You know what I mean? Those fundamentals definitely come in handy, but like so what I do, look, man, that's what I do. Look, first thing to remember
All right.
is that these stocks, they don't start out the top gainers. Check this out. I'm gonna show you all of this. Check this out. I'm gonna put you on game real quick because the market's open for 5 minutes. So these stocks, they don't start out at the top. These stocks, they start out at the bottom. You wait until that stock come out with its
What the
IPO.
fuck?
When it come out
Wait,
with
wait,
its IPO,
hold on, slow down. 93 cents to $73.
these stocks,
Where
they
this
come
at?
out with their IPO and then they're gonna go back down to the bottom. Once they get down to the bottom, remember they don't start at the top. Now I can show you this on any 52 week, any 3 month, any 5 day. Well, check this out. I don't say this stuff for nothing. They do not start out at the top. We want to wait till those things get down to their 52 week lows. Now we understand that we don't look at no top gainers, and we understand that we don't look at no most actives. We understand that these stocks start at the bottom. Once these stocks go down to the bottom on those 52 week lows, these are the next stocks to explode. Now you got a list of about 40, 50 different stocks that are all going down oversold. All the ones next in line to explode. All you gotta do is just pick out what your favorite stats are, match it up with your good fundamentals, and keep in mind every single one of these stocks, they already done been wrecked. That's why they got the 52 week lows. But just like I was showing you on those 52 week gainers with stocks going from 97 cents up to $80, that's what these 52 lows do. They are the next in line. This is what the big wells don't want us to understand, that getting the stock down at the bottom. We don't need to look at anything else.
Right.
You don't need to even worry about
Right.
anything else. We find a 52 week
Facts.
low down there, and then we get in there, and then we wait a day or so. Maybe you got to wait a week or so based off of certain different size of stats. And keep in mind that you got your free float, which is your cup size, okay? And you got your volume, which is the amount of water. Let me point this out to you. You got a free float. Your cup size on this stock, HYZN, they got a cup size of 6 million. That's a deal. That's a, we'll say that's like a medium McDonald's cup size right there. Well, you getting a volume and a water of only 1,000 in there. On average, you're only getting 800,000 water in there. That's nowhere near enough to fill up this cup and or that float. So this stock not finna move. You need your cup to get filled up with water. You need that free float to get filled up with volume. Once that free float fill that volume up, then you're talking about that stock moving. And then once that volume pick up over 1 million, it's gonna pop on everybody's radars. Then we got those stocks at those 52 week lows. Those stocks, those oversolds and whatnot. They're gonna do what that one doing. They're gonna pick up to the most actives and become the top gainers. Once those stocks become the most active, then we're gonna watch all the day traders and whatnot, like this one. Perfect example right here. They're gonna go from those 52 week lows, then they're gonna pick up in that volume over 1 million, fill up that, get ready to flip that float. Then all the day traders want to partake in there, making them look like this. Then after that get done, it's because they already done moved up to the top gainers, whether it's on as day, as 5 days, as 1 month. Sometimes even run up for the next 3 months. You never know. But after that, we already done locked in gains over the first explosion and move back to the next 52 week lows. So what we do in Banking with Billy Discord is, along in my section every Thursday, I put out the list of the next upcoming swings. You'll be able to see every Thursday when I'm telling what swing putting out, these the next, go for these, go for those, so on and so forth. Catch what you can while you can. It's this and that. Rinse and repeat. And then along with that, I will be throwing out our hot day trades, catching our options trades. It's all the same stuff. It's all, everything is all the same. Whether it's a stock, it could be an option, a crypto, a future, it doesn't matter. It's all the same thing. It's going from oversold and safe to overbought and dangerous. And you can gauge that on your RSI and MACD for both of those. And along with me putting those out, I as well just follow along with the rest of the coaches. and they as well, pretty much literally just as you can see, going from something that's low and oversold at the bottom, and then locking in gains, it becomes
Like,
overbought, holding
yeah,
dangerous at the top. Yeah, you rinse and repeat, and then move back to the 52-week low list on Thursday. And then you got to
Yeah,
stop on
for
like week
over.
3. Or once you hit week 3, you finna have to stop anyway. Because if you're talking about paying your bills and rent on time, but what you just got out the market, it's gonna take you at least about a week to get that out of there. And it better not be. You better not start withdrawing on a Thursday or Friday, because that mean that the everything finna close down, so nothing is moving. So you ain't make your rent on time on Monday. So you're not paying your bills and rent in a 4-week span. You doing this in a 3-week span, and you done by Monday. So you hitting that withdraw button. I mean, you hitting that sell button to let things settle for 3 days. Then you withdraw and let that settle for 3 days. Then you gotta hope your bank not on bullshit from there. And if they not, then you made that in time. But you know, you making your full-time trader goals within a 3-week time span. Off of 52-week lows, options in between. I don't mess with no
Yeah,
EMAs. I don't really go for no breakouts and stuff like that. You know. Any
yeah. For
questions?
oversold. Yeah, I have a question. Yeah, so for oversold and overbought, right? What's that metric that you use to calculate that? You use the I think you use the RSI, right?
The
The
RSI.
RSI to see if something. Yeah.
The
If the
RSI was
RSI is
the
under certain.
RSI. Let me show you real quick. You got a basic understanding. Check this out. The RSI is gonna tell you if your thing is either oversold at the bottom
overbought.
or if it's overbought and at the top.
I
And that's
learned
on
that
your
from you.
yeah, hell yeah. That's on your
I
15
learned
minute
that
chart.
don't ever buy up there. Don't
No,
ever buy up there when it's at the
no, you
top.
can't. You can't. You ain't got no business up there. You ain't got no business. You ain't got no business up there on that. Look at that. That thing got 71 cents up there. That thing was massively overbought. You got bear. They it's yelling bears like, bro, we ain't got no business up there. We ain't got no business up there. That's on your 1 minute chart. That's on your 15. That's on your 2. That's on your 3. That's on your 4. I don't know. It could be out there on. It could be out there on your quarterly. It don't even matter. If that thing not oversold on your specific chart trading time frame, then you ain't got no business touching that stock. And for us, as we swing traders, of course, we swing traders. You going for that thing off your 4 hour chart and you hone it in from now off your 15 minute chart. You know what I mean? If you're going for a 1 minute chart, you're not day trading during the intraday. You're not when a market open up and then you catching day trades all through there. You don't do that. You day trade in the pre-market and you use your VWAP to look for a breakout off of your RSI that's going from oversold and making bullish divergence. But you don't day trade during the pre-market. Only thing you do during the pre-market is an option trade at 9:30. Anything else is just thirsty. That's at least how I move. At least that's how I've done creating my natural consistency. But I don't be too thirsty all the time. Unless it come down to this Bitcoin. I've been super thirsty on Bitcoin. I'm up like four. I'm up like 400% now. I'm refusing to sell.
Only thing you can do right now is a stop loss. You just put your stop loss in at 300, and then it doesn't
Yes,
even matter how much gap. Like you have so much ATR. You could do like
yes.
5 ATR. It doesn't matter no more. Shit,
Yeah, I
all
agree.
day.
I agree, and that is what I prefer to do. I don't go for a target up. I move my stop loss. I move my stop loss up as something climbs up still. You know what I mean? And then if it pulls back and hit that stop loss, then that's that.
GALT running.
But me myself, I got to
GALT
I got to
running.
I keep a 7 to 15% stop loss on everything. Stock, option, crypto, 7 to 15% up, 7 to 15% down. Let's create that natural consistency. Anything extra, that's a quick blessing. Just go ahead and take that. You know what I mean? Go ahead and take
Yeah,
It
that.
look
I got
like
stopped out.
GALT
Yeah, I
is
got fucking
running.
stopped out. Oh, I got stopped out at market open. Fucking it's shit. I'll just wait for like a quick dip or like a quick like. So I need I need something radical to happen with OPTT. Yeah, I gotta call my brokerage because fucking I stopped out for GTC because I want to lock in that fucking one fucking 130. I saw that shit at 130, bro. I was like, fuck, but it's alright though, cause I got it like at 67, so it's alright. I was just waiting for that dip to happen and get back in. Alright, so yeah, I was trying. Yeah, so you guys said FFIE, and then FFIE is probably. I want to see what's. Yeah, alright. So
It's kind of
basically, I
like
gotta look at the RSI.
it's dropping right now. It's dropping. FFIE is just holding at $4 right now. Going down
Hold
to
up.
392.
Oh,
It's
yo,
dropping. It might be.
it, you know what in the news? Hold up a sec, though. Something happened in the news today. Yo, the U.S. Treasury Department got hacked by Chinese hackers. If you could look that up and tell me what you think, Billy. Because because if the Treasury Department got hacked, that might not be so good for stocks today. I don't know.
God,
The Treasury Department
FIE is
got hacked?
dropping like
Damn.
Yeah,
FFIE dropping like motherfucker right now.
I got stopped
I'm
up.
finna go buy. I'm finna go buy that shit though. I'm finna go in and buy that shit when it get done.
I'm
For
still up.
real.
I'm still up 60%.
I'm finna go buy that shit as soon as it gets through.
I
Got to
can't
get
believe I got
that.
fucking stopped out, man.
It's
Oh
all
yeah,
gonna come.
you know
It's
what I'm
all gonna
saying?
come down to what Bitcoin do. Look at this. It follow Bitcoin. You see how Bitcoin? You see that quick dip down? It all follow
It did.
Bitcoin. Yeah, yeah.
Let
Whatever,
me go
whatever,
look. Like,
whatever Bitcoin do,
Oh, that was,
that's what the
I
market's
remember you
about to
said
do.
that a while ago. Okay, it's going back up. It's gonna go back
It's
up
going
now.
back
Let me
up
see.
now. Now watch
Let me
these
see if
stocks start to
FFIE.
explode. It's all gonna follow
You think
Bitcoin.
so?
Hell yeah. Take
Let me
note of this,
see.
bro.
Let me see. I'm finna grab $1,000 of FFIE so when you start going back up. There you
the
go right there.
FFIE.
Yeah. There you go.
FFIE.
Welcome.
I
Anybody
just
joining in on the classroom? Currently doing some live trades and a live Q&A. Let me know if any questions, concerns, recommendations, or if you need any accommodations.
I can just get
Currently
that
holding
motherfucker to go back. I'm out.
you, you out. Man,
Yo,
my
yo, fam.
Bitcoin up about 500% right now. I'm over here. I can't die. I'm not even blinking. Don't even blink. Everything
Yeah,
be going in an
you just
instant.
yo. So Ashley, you get in on FFIE?
I
You
just
gotta make
did.
it's about to make money though.
Huh?
What you think
Yeah.
it's gonna
I'm
do
up.
today?
I'm
All right, so
up.
you think it's gonna yo,
Like
fam, because I'm trying to like because yo, if I could ride OPTT right now though, like I'd rather just do
I
that
can
because
just
like it
go
fucking
slow.
OPTT because it would make me more money than FFIE. So that's why I'm like yo, that's why I'm like yo, Billy. So what you think I should do, OPTT or FFIE? Because I'll try to get up. Like I don't want that shit to dip on me.
Think that you should
Like
just sit.
I know
I
these.
think that if you knew here, bro, I think that you should just I think that you should lock in whatever gains you got real quick, clear out the portfolio. It's almost the first of the month. You feel me? You in a winner's circle now, bro. You surrounded by full time and trade. You like right now you surrounded by a whole room full of full time professional traders. No, I mean not to call you out or anything, but you know what I mean.
Nah,
You
hella
don't want to
fact.
you don't want to sound too new. You don't want to sound like a noob around all these professional traders, broski. You feel me? I recommend you just go ahead and clear out the portfolio, fall in line like the rest of us. You know, we all do the same thing. We all moving it with the same unit in one mind. You know what I mean? They all just follow along with the alerts I'm putting out in my section. You know what I mean? And waiting for. So I
Oh
recommend if
my
you're new here,
god.
bro, science, clear out the
But
port, lock in your gains or cut out the small losses. You feel me? Sit back and watch us work for the day. You feel me? Study some of the sections and meet some of the coaches and whatnot. You know what I mean? And then be prepared for the next day to open or the next upcoming swings. That way you don't chase nothing out today. You feel me? Don't make none of those risky moves, bro. You feel me? None of that. You know what I mean? We surrounded by full time traders, bro. We got to
Yeah,
level
but
up.
yo, when you see this stock go from once $1 to $1.50, oh my god, yo, like oh my god, it's like you can't. It's like I'm trying to
I
make the
do
most
think
of
that
it.
FFIE a hot day trade right now though. Like if you did want to jump in there right now under this $4, I feel you though, for real.
I've already made like $100 since you were talking and shit.
Yo, but nah, OPTT, I feel like it's gonna do the same thing right now. That's why I'm just like, oh
Which
my
one?
god, it's like OPTT, bro. It's at $1.30.
Yeah, I
Bro,
feel
it's
you
at a
on the.
dollar
I
thirty.
feel you. Are you not in there right now?
But go for what
Nah,
you
I'm not
know.
in there, huh?
Man, I wouldn't
Nah,
do
but
it.
like you just did the analysis. Like, yo, I could have made hella bread though. Like, oh my god, yo, like, like, yo, this thing might fucking do it though. Like,
Nah,
You
I
don't
this thing
want
wouldn't
it.
might
do it,
You
bro.
fucking.
don't.
I
You
don't.
don't want it.
Yeah, you know what I mean. It's so many. It's like a million other stocks that are about to explode. We already know it's about
Yeah,
to
I
explode
know, but
next. You
yeah,
know what I
I
mean?
know. All right, so I mean, all right, fuck it. I'm gonna get OPTT because I know that like if I'm with y'all, if this thing goes belly up, we'll get them back next week. So I'm gonna just get some OP. I'm gonna get OPTT.
Oh,
Fuck it.
I feel you.
Oh,
Yeah,
man, this
ain't
is
wrong with it.
crazy.
Yeah, and also tight, bro, because I got the fuck out. I got
You
stopped
gotta
the
have that
fuck
7 to
up, bro.
15% stop loss on that. I mean, like right now the market's bullish, so around 9:30, we finna see a pullback and everything, no matter what.
All right, let me wait for this pullback, bro. Yo, this thing better not take off without me, bro. This thing better come
Around
back
You
with the
9:30.
already.
upturn.
Right now
Yeah, I
we
know
have
fucking yeah.
3,700 advancers and there's 1,200 decliners coming in right now.
2000. Crazy.
Yeah. What the motherfucker guy?
Yo, OPTT better not leave. Yo, better not leave, bro, because this shit gonna, oh my god, bro. This shit, oh my god. Yo, I might do it today. I'm not gonna lie.
Jump in there. You gotta do what you fit. You gotta follow your heart, truly. On some real shit.
Yeah, my
I
heart
got
says, yo, wait for the dip. You know, you got professionals around you. Wait for the dip. You know, because it's hard. It's hard when you see that thing skyrocketing. But yeah, I think my experience tells me like, yo, this shit finna dip. Like, if something goes straight the fuck up and that ATR gets too high, it gotta come back down for you.
At
You know, because
9:30,
it has.
9:30, I'm getting puts on the whole market. At 9:30, I'm getting SPY IWM puts, betting that the market go down.
Yo, it's 9:30 right now. It's 9:40 right now. You mean 10 o'clock?
It's 8:30.
Where you at? Oh, you in South America?
I'm in North America.
What?
I'm
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 on
at
the East Coast. What?
I'm at Illinois.
What? Oh, it goes the other way around. All right. Oh, I see. Yeah, I was confused for a sec. I'm like, what? There's a ocean there's a island in the middle of the Atlantic. I was like, I thought. All right. Yeah. Cause I'll start and go in reverse. So like, if you go more West Coast, yeah, it's gonna be later in the day. So yeah, I don't
Yeah.
want to live on the West Coast, bro. Like, because yo, shit. I don't know if I'm gonna wake up early like that though.
Mm.
Man.
come on. FFIE, please break out. Break out. Break out. Let's
Man,
go, baby.
I'm trying to see this hollow hawk.
God damn. FFIE. Oh my God.
Oh, is it? Yo, it's going crazy on you?
Oh my
Oh, is it?
God. 15.
Oh,
You up
Up
15%?
32%. Up 32%.
Yeah, that's what's up.
I
I'm
got
up
a
Thirty.
million of
I'm up
my shit.
80%. Oh yeah, this finna explode. This finna break that resistance too. Yup. This finna break that resistance, right? You got another perfect time, huh?
Oh, yo, I'm gonna get
Yeah.
Oh,
OPTT right now. Oh my god.
427.
Yeah, it's
420.
taking
Oh,
off.
it's like that's it. That's it. Oh my fucking God. Ah.
Divide divide by 1.25. Oh my god. Yo, let me get in. Let me get it, bro. Let me get the fuck in, bro. 12000. All right, so limit. Yeah, so limit. Let me buy. All right, I'm gonna get greedy with it. I'm gonna say 120.
That was a super dip. I feel you. It just went down to $1, huh? Yup.
OPTT went down to $1.
It did. Just 1 minute ago.
I'm gonna look
What
this
the
shit.
fuck? Oh, I missed that shit. Oh, I did miss that shit though. Yeah, oh, damn, that's crazy.
I saw that.
Oh, OPTT. Oh
It started
no.
spiking crazy and it dipped crazy.
Yeah. Yo, oh my god, dude, I gotta switch to Webull because my platform right now is acting up.
What you got?
Oh, I got Fidelity. Yeah, that shit, every time I try to refresh the chart, 'cause I fucking love the chart. I mean, when I first started with Fidelity. I love that fucking chart though, but this shit get me tight sometimes. I gotta give this stock a chance to get to 110. I mean, though,
Let me see.
It came back down.
I got Hollow. Hollow getting more bullish. Hollow just broke that resistance. If
Oh
Hollow
yeah,
breaking the FFI,
so we
definitely
in.
is.
Yeah, we in. Yo, we in that OPTT. All right, so I'm in at $1.20. Oh my god, yo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! All right, I gotta. Oh, yo, I'm about to see. This shit double. Oh my god! Like y'all don't understand the struggle. Like yo, the struggle has been real, bro, but the struggle is over. Yo, the struggle might be over today, fam.
I feel
The
you.
struggle has. Oh my fucking god.
Hollow up 110%.
Hello, what? Wait, let me see. Oh, let me see that shit.
FFIE, I'm up 70% still. A quick pullback if I gonna explode no matter what. We Me, I'm up 30%. Let's look at We Me, closely related to Micro Hollow Cloud. I thought actually on a quick dip. They all look like they're having a quick pullback right now. It's up 30%. And Buru, they got that blue laser technology. I'm up 80%. Yeah, they got that blue laser technology.
Yeah, yo, see, at these yo, it is great. Yo, when it's just like you just need a stock to swing like 3 cents and you like done for the day. Like, but it,
Yeah, I agree.
yeah, he's just like, I need a quick buck. Shit, I'm trying to go to the club.
Here
Trading
come
for
D
five
Wave
minutes.
Quantum. Here come D Wave Quantum. I'm
Oh,
finna
D
grab
Wave,
some.
oh, yo, that shit, nah, that shit be doing it though. That yo, D Wave, shit, like
I'm
yo,
finna. I just need to break. It need to break this fucking. I think it's nine. And it's 11:9:25. It's gonna break this shit. God damn. I can tell.
it's a, oh my god,
I came out like
shut the fuck up. Yo, what this guy? What this nigga is salty. What he? Oh, I'm sorry for the N word. My fault. My bad. Home. We kings. No N words here. Yo, but yo, no tell you, he not salty with it, right? He lost money. He was shorted, but he lost some money, a hell of money, and he
What you
not
talking
tripping.
about? You talking
He
about
tight with it
Matovo?
though. Yeah,
no.
he tight with it though.
Nah,
Like
yeah,
he
Matovo always on something. He be on. Some people just be on bullshit. He ain't here though.
we here though. Yeah, like yo, no, I'm in this other group. They're like, yo, I'm done trading for the week. I'm trying to tell people about OPTT. I'm like, everyone different. I'm glad I found y'all because I'm like, yo, yo, Christmas ain't over, bro. Christmas ain't over. What y'all talking about, man?
Right. I'm talking to like them.
I was wearing that tipo.
They going.
Oh, usted
Why you
tratando para hablar español?
Oh, Lobo,
going
call me El
Really?
Chicle.
up?
Oh,
It is
oh yeah.
up.
Yo, maybe you could. Yeah, but I would love to see if I could probably code
Oh,
a
God.
bot that when you type, it will probably translate it for you, so you don't have to keep doing this shit.
D Wave Quantum. I'm finna grab some of this.
That do it.
D Wave Quantum. I'm going stupid right now. I've been waiting on this. It was at a low. It's at a low too. Motherfucker, 918.
You could just ask me. Teamarbeit. That's German.
I
What's
wouldn't
the
know how to.
ticker?
I wouldn't know how to type it though. I just go through it. I go through and make sure that every section still got something in it. You know what I mean? And what's his
Yeah,
name?
it's okay. It's okay.
Mr. KJ. So in here, so all these other sections. So there's a like 20 different coaches in here. They all put their different things out in their sections as well. Like for example, Coach
Yeah,
Jasmine,
yeah,
she
exactly.
throw the things in French. Coach Sazvar, he throws things out there in German and whatnot, so on and so forth, along with a few other ones. And with and Matovo, when he was talking about up there where he was like, Billy, shut the fuck up. It's New Year's. Is he talking about in my section when I put out my alerts go to their
Yeah.
phone as notifications. So they seeing all of this new
Ah.
and it blow their phones up. That's what they was
It's
talking about.
okay. It's okay. It's all fine. It's all
No,
fine.
I was talking about Mr. I was answering Mr. KJ question down there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have it though. Yeah, it's it though. Is it ATR? Sucks. Yeah.
You should also have a look at HOVR. It's going up.
Oh yeah.
New Horizon aircraft is going up. Yeah, there's movement.
Yo, I hate how some of these stocks don't come up on Google. You
Did
know?
y'all know about the SQQ? SQQQ. It's the reverse. It's the reverse of the stock market. The SPY. So you could leverage your trade against the SPY. Whatever the SPY do, it do the exact opposite.
It's crazy. Never knew about that.
Yeah. The exact opposite. Put them on your watch list and you just see them making the same exact pattern, but the other opposite.
I don't understand what's happening with XTIA. It's not going up anywhere. Yeah, and it's totally boring. XTI Aerospace. You recommended that, Billy. I'm in that, but it's not moving at
They
all.
about to do a reverse split.
I don't know if he's ever really recommended that one strongly. Based off his videos, I mean, calling out a reverse stock split, which I see happening too. January 6th is their deadline to even comply with NASDAQ at this point. So if they don't by then, they're going to be gone.
And they about to do a reverse split. You don't want to be
I'm
in there
pretty
for
sure
that.
they had to do it like 10 days, within 10 days of the 6th. So I don't know if they're going to make it.
Are you talking about XTIA?
Yes.
XTIA.
Yeah. So you think we should go out? You should go out of
Yes.
XTIA or keep it?
Yeah, you want to get out of there.
Yeah. Okay.
You want to get in. You want to get in after they do their reverse split. They might come in for a spike. Before then they might, but no matter what though, whether they come in for that spike or not, they still doing that reverse split.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
And then put in puts on that shit.
And that reverse split is a doozy. Ain't no telling what happened to a stock after that one.
The FIEE trade, I just took about a couple $100 because that it's overbought. That motherfucker overbought as hell. It just stuck right there.
See what they doing. We got the market slowing down. Yeah, market slowing down. You know, Bitcoin runs it all. Bitcoin slowing down. So the stocks are slowing down.
Yep.
Yeah, hopefully, it's just like that slow, steady uptick, You don't want it to skyrocket then come back down.
Yeah.
I like that slow up and down with it.
Yeah. The clean and steady.
Yeah, once it's 2 o'clock, Yeah, once it's 2 o'clock and you see like once it's 2 o'clock and you just see like progress, then you're straight for the rest of the day.
Let's see, I can go see what the options going to be looking like in a few minutes. Let me see. It's gonna be a choppy one. So I still say puts. For real. Puts to 220. We're gonna see what it looks like at 9:30 though. Let's look at SPY. And QQQ.
Nikola up 22% today.
It's going down, SPY.
Yeah, it's from the turn bearish. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Grab some SQQQ. Ride it on up.
Yeah, Billy, this must be exhausting for you. I want to see if have you ever looked into try to get a bot written just to do just that? Like, have you looked for like bots doing this stuff for you?
A bot that's connected to my trading account that's gonna type these in when I execute a move, or a
Oh,
bot that's gonna be connected to the market that's gonna alert out when that thing is on a movement like that.
Yeah, the second one. Yeah, not first one. Yeah, you just need it to be connected to the market. It doesn't need to be connected to your account. I'd probably be like
If I
10
start
times
using
harder
if
to
I start
connect to
using
your
bots,
account.
then everybody gonna want to cancel because it's not really me.
nah, it's already bots in there.
Yeah.
Everything is ran out bots now. That stuff you was reading the other day.
Those bots gonna
Like
throw
you said,
those
you was
bots gonna
reading.
throw everything off when those bots start doing things, throwing out these alerts and whatnot. You know what I mean? Then it's gonna go from it's not really me doing it. Those bots is gonna have things going. You know, they're gonna have questions. So when somebody asks me a question on what's up with this and that, you know what I mean? That bot not gonna be there to answer that question. It make a big difference for me. But it's not exhausting to me. I mean, this
Oh,
actually
okay.
give me something to do. You know what I mean? Other
You
than
know, bots.
yeah.
That company that you're talking about, Hollow, they making the software to make the trading easier, man. Like the bot's gonna be trading better than you was talking about that in one of the videos.
Another thing
You
about the
said you was
trading bots
reading.
and copy bots is that's what the Billy Banks imposters invites everybody to do. When they join it in and all those Billy Banks president, the message everybody, they inviting them to do AIs and copy bots and trading bots, stuff like that. So I got to be extremely careful with that. You know what I mean?
XRP is going up. Have you seen?
Man, I bet it's
Yeah, it's
hard.
going up.
I bet real big on QBTS, man. It follows Rigetti. It follows Rigetti. Rigetti just broke through that 1791 too. It's like it's gonna go ahead and go. Come on.
Yeah, it'd be too volatile to be trading at fucking 9:30 at 10 o'clock. You gotta wait till like 9:50 before you can make a trade. Fuck.
You just do it when you feel. When you see setups, pay attention to the charts. It's all in the charts.
Yeah, oh man, I wasn't paying attention. I was just looking at. Yeah, see, that's the thing. I gotta get used to it, fam. Yo, once I'm used to it, then like I seen that already. But you just it's
A
like
lot of stuff to pay attention to.
Hmm.
oh, dang.
Selling Weed Me for a 30% gain, selling Boo for a 60% gain.
I'm mad. I saw about FFIE last night.
Yeah, you
He's
should
so
never sell
upset.
that. This thing finna go about
Uh,
4,000%.
I,
It's about to be a 4,000% runner
4,000.
right here.
I'm gonna wait till it drop
Oh,
and I'm gonna buy back in.
Ain't
So
no
I'm
dropping
looking
from
for
here.
Just sold it. I made 200
oh
just a while
my
ago.
goodness.
I'm gonna buy some more as soon as it drop. As soon as it drop.
Crown Electric went up. Crown Electric is going up like crazy.
CRKN, huh?
Right
Let
there.
me see this.
Yeah. Look at Crown CRKN. What's going on?
yeah, I'm looking for
Hey, there's something happening.
There's something happening
I'm
when
just waiting for.
crowns start exploding.
I'm positive 20%. Nice. I think I will. Couldn't get more.
what's the stock? What's the stock ticker? CRIN.
CRK, CRKN.
CRKN.
It was recommended from Billy long time
Yeah, I
ago.
didn't make it in there in time. Like I said, when I put out those upcoming swings, y'all be making it in there sometime faster than me.
But
Now
I was
I'm left with Hollow. I just after those things I just saw, I'm up with Hollow
um
25%, FFIE up 80%, and Plug I'm down 5. I'm a whole Plug for the long swing. Plug gonna
yeah,
go to the
plug
super.
out. Don't worry, plug will go up.
The
Plug
Plug
will.
definitely going up.
I'm also minus on plug.
Ah,
That's the plug. I'm 1.45 minus. Don't worry, that's the
yeah, Plug
future.
is a good one.
Long swing.
Then I still got TRX, that Tron coin, up 20%. I gotta go look at this.
TRX is going up.
Oh my god.
TRX is going up. And I finally,
crypto.
I finally did my verification for Coinbase. I have my Coinbase now. but I'm absolutely done with crypto, Billy. I don't know what to do. So how do I do this to get this money into Margex? So I
Okay.
fill Coinbase and then move.
What you gonna need?
I'm done.
So
So
what
I
you're gonna
want to
need
do
to
your
do is
option
you're gonna
trading.
have to buy
Yeah.
you're gonna have to buy whatever coin you prefer. I recommend Bitcoin is the most
Yeah.
basic and the thing we all know most
Okay.
about. Put a couple dollars in
Okay.
Bitcoin and then
How
you
much?
go
How much do you recommend? How much should I buy?
just to test putting it into your Margex and stuff like that. Just put $10.
Okay, good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just to test it real quick. And
Yeah,
then
yeah,
from
it's okay.
and
It's
then
okay.
from there you're gonna go
Yeah, you
to
almost hit.
Margex and it's gonna say on your home page on Margex it says deposit up there right
Yeah.
next to where your balance will be.
Okay.
Press that and then let me know when
Okay.
you press that. I'll tell you what to do next.
Okay. Because I have no clue about this stuff.
It's okay. We all learning this together.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Because I have really don't know what to do. I connected it with my PayPal account. Um,
Oh my
mm,
god. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh
this
my
Tron
god.
coin, this
It's
Tron is
FIE.
exploding.
FFIE, man. I gotta go
FFIE
back
still going
in
up?
now. Yes, man.
Damn, I'm up 90% up in there. FFIE making the
Yes.
moves. Where it go?
I was just waiting
Yeah,
on that to
Yeah,
pass.
yeah. Finna be up 4,000% here pretty soon.
yeah. Wait, so FFIE is like an ETF?
The ETF. FFIE make electric cars, but they don't sell any. They suck. They all kinds of messed up.
Yeah, manufacturer.
They gave a special person the car. They gave like a famous person the car or something like that. And I guess dude got the connections and all the moves and whatnot. So that was enough to get the juice going, but it's not gonna be enough to hold this up. What's gonna hold this up is all the videos that we're gonna be pushing out on this stuff like that.
Oh, they paying you? They paying you to do that shit?
Hell no, don't nobody pay me, bro. I mean, I do it for the people. I just do it for the people, bro.
Yo, no, cause I be low key now, cause there's this petty fucking plain bagel. He said that like
Hey Billy.
every night you.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hopped into Holo, which I know is like super risky because it's
Oh,
already up so much.
you in
But
there?
yeah, I'm up 15%.
Hey, hold it. Hold it. You going to the
Yeah.
moon. It's still going up, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you about to
I
get
was scared
25%
when I
right now.
bought.
Look at it. It's rolling.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's
Up
what's up.
17% now. It's moving up fast. When I was
Yeah, it
buying it, I'm like,
is.
man, should I do this?
You just
Yeah, it's
you the
moving.
magic trigger. You just made this thing start exploding. You the magic. We was waiting on you the whole
He's
time.
so kind.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah, this
going
is a
up
good one.
nicely too.
Unbelievable.
I'll
I can't buy it with my stupid trading platform. It does not offer this stock in
Oh
Germany,
wow.
but that's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I made now a new account.
They don't let you get WeWorld out there, huh?
Yeah, and I have now. I'm in a verification process for Momo.
Yeah.
Momo allows me really nice charts. I have an account on E-Trade because I was an employee at AbbVie, the pharmaceutical company in Chicago, but that's an employee stock program, and I cannot trade with that account. But in Momo, I'm in verification because there are lots of stocks I cannot trade you, which we are recommending. So, my bad.
Oh yeah, Mumu is
Yeah,
good
you
though.
read
Mumu is very
good
good. I heard
work.
many people use Mumu.
Yeah, I made an account there, so I'm waiting to get there.
I put a hollow. I put $250 on the advertising for a hollow video. Pick that juice up.
Nice.
hmm Hopefully
Mm.
that run over the time that the market is closed. So when the markets do open back up, then they make this thing explode.
Why do
Billy,
you
do
do
you
that?
still well, I don't know if you ever got in it, but did you get an SFHG?
FSHG.
SFHG is the Sam Fine
Oh,
creation. I told you about it
I
a few
remember
days
this
ago.
stock. No, hell no, I ain't never getting there. But this is
Yeah,
I
it
think
changed.
I think they're gonna make a move though. They're gonna make a move. It's gonna take a minute though. Like Like it's probably gonna take a few weeks before they really getting ready to do anything.
Yeah, it tanked from like 119 to 98 cents. So I sold that this morning and just put the remainder in Holo, and I already made back like my loss on there.
Okay, Brewer's still going down.
Uru going down. Glad I sold.
That's why I said I set my alarm. So as soon as it go
They'll
down
be
a little bit
fine.
more,
They'll be fine. They got that blue laser technology. They'll be fine.
I said if it get below 60, I'm already getting back in.
I'm looking at this hollow. This hollow going crazy right now.
Yeah.
And I don't have it. Whatever shit, but that's okay.
It's gonna be at $10.
I'm happy for you all guys.
I'm mad because hell I missed my entry. I missed my
Oh,
invite to the
but
party.
there will be more opportunities. Don't worry, guys.
I missed my
It's
invite
nice.
to the party.
There will be a new party.
Always gonna be a party. It's going down a little bit right now. It's dropping. It's dropping right now. You might get in there, but it's going up. I'm finna just going to give me some right now. I'm not even sure. Hello is the future, man. If you watch those videos, then you know it don't even make no difference. If nobody know about it. It's gonna go.
Yep. Wire went through, so now I just gotta wait for another dip, another to lock in gains. 715. Yeah, yeah. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not top, dude. I gotta wait for this thing to break resistance, bro. Shit.
So say stick with the flow, bro. Stick with the flow. You know, whatever we all going for. Now we all moving up. We all already sailing on the ocean. All you gotta do is just sail along on the ocean. You feel me? Don't go against the ocean.
I got RIME. It went up 15%, but it came back down to 13 right now. But it's still
That
up in the green.
that rhyme stock, man. That rhyme stock is so questionable. You know, it looked like it's gonna make the biggest bull run in the world. And then it's like when you find out what they actually do and what they make, they're just not there. They make karaoke machines or something like that.
Yo, anyone paying attention to like the U.S. economic calendar? I think the jobs report comes up today.
This one, nah, I ain't never I don't be looking into that stuff too much.
Okay.
What time does it tell you what time that's supposed to be?
Yeah. So it says I'm gonna put it in the chat. Yeah. It's pending home sales. So it says 2.2. I don't know what these numbers mean. I mean, can I put the link in the chat or no? I'll just put a photo in there. Yeah, I don't know.
Is anybody in SVMH?
SBMH.
That's that motorcycle company. I'm not in there. They finna do a reverse split too, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they just
You
exploded
said
though today, huh?
SB or SB?
Wow.
Yeah, I'll put it in the chat. Market watch. Oh, I don't think. I think you gotta give me link permission to post links.
What did he say? What did you say?
I was looking at the market, the economic calendar, and they got home sales. They released that shit at 10 o'clock, and I can't post links. So that's the permission to post links.
Free members don't get access to post links and stuff like that to stop the spammers and the imposters.
Yo, there's like an echo.
Hey, Chato, can you fix that mic, bro?
BTC turning bearish.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, this thing with dips on me.
BTC going down.
Oh yeah, y'all dudes told me to sell. Like, that's how. Let me see what this thing gonna do though. Fam, y'all think I could get in?
Get in
Get
what?
another rally?
And
Yeah, I'll try to
BTC?
OPT.
And
Yeah, the
OPT?
OPT. Yeah, it should just drop crazy. Yo, you think I should just get it? Yo, you think I could get back in, run that shit to the top?
I don't think you should do it, bro. I don't think. I don't think you should, me myself, bro. Listen. I only buy stocks towards like 2 p.m. Like just swing, bro. Just swing trade. I know the day trades be hot and fast and cool, you know what I mean, and whatnot. But those day trades, bro, they gonna get you. They gonna get you.
All right.
If it's
No,
not an
I
early,
mean, if it dropped crazy,
run it,
yeah, go ahead.
run it, bro. While it's testing this dollar is a good time to get in there. While it's testing the dollar for sure, for sure.
Yeah, they might get
TRKN
crazy.
25%. Wow, it's going up.
Oh my god, yo, I don't want to look at my account right now. Oh, it's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be. Oh, it's bad, but I thought it could be worse. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
All
I
right,
mean
I'm still
that
waiting.
dollar is the key level. It looked like they don't want it to go under that dollar on there. Oh, it just actually got over that dollar, didn't it? Oh, yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't do it, bro.
Good.
Like,
Fuck
I
you up.
yeah, I wouldn't do it. Like, we go for early seats, bro. It's not the early seat anymore. It's not the early seat anymore.
That did hit crazy though. That shit finna chill out though.
But if I was gonna make that move, I'll get that bullish divergence off of that 1 minute chart, man. You looking for bullish divergence? I'm looking at it right now with you. We got bullish divergence coming in.
Bullish diversion, you know what I mean?
That's all they need.
Yeah, so it said, yeah, it broke that. Yeah, damn, not it fucking broke that resistance. So I'm like, oh shit.
Oh, it's going under that dollar, is it?
Mm.
Just went under. Hell yeah. They keep notifying me when it
Uh,
drop.
Swatch.
it's a pump and dump. It's a pump and dump,
Below
right?
95. To break below 90.
47 million.
Yeah, it's gonna come back below. It's open.
Oh, yeah, I can't look no more. Oh, I'm tired of it though. All right, we get them next time. And
Previous close. Motherfucker closed yesterday at 88 cents. It's about to drop some more.
that's a lot of money.
That
And
that GALT stock y'all was talking about going up a little bit though. You got a little bit of volume in there
Yeah,
picking up 10%.
finally.
What's the
I was
ticker?
going worried.
GALT.
Yeah, correct. I'm 10% minus from minus 18%. I didn't
Yes.
catch the perfect timing, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's going up a little bit, and they still got that gap to fill towards about $2. A slow climber. That's a safe one right there.
What's the ticker symbol on that again? I couldn't catch it the first time.
GALT.
ALT. Copy
yeah,
that.
I think what
FFIE.
yo, this money is not here though.
Wait,
Not here though.
let me get a FFIE.
FIE. Let's check this out.
Yeah.
Let's check this out. Oh, it's gonna make
Well,
bullish
quit saying that.
divergence.
I sold last night right before after hours closed. And it was right under $4.
Hey, it's at that $4 right now, building support up here, no less. It's in this range. It's in this
It was right
range.
under $4 when I sold
Hey
yesterday
gang,
when I
I'm
got
here to
the
talk
message.
to you about FFIE. I love it, dude.
I can't hear
See,
this
it sounds
anymore.
good though with
Oh,
Oh,
FFIE
that
because like I said, I had this
everything is
ticker
about F.
months ago and I kind of messed up some months ago when I got in, but I made that recovery back last night, so I'm good on it. I'm very good on
TRX
it.
is also going up.
Yeah, let me see. I gotta go
all right,
look.
OPTT just rebounded. I think it just bounced off the moving average. So it went to the moving average and then it's bouncing back up. So let's see what it could do. Shit. Yeah, my fucking funds ain't clear, so I'm just tight with it now. Yeah.
Got
That,
money in the bank. Shorty, what you drank?
See,
that last
FFIE caught me
FFIE
with that
rhyme.
reverse split back in August.
Yeah.
Man, I just made a quick $1,200, Billy.
Wow,
Yo,
Yep.
not too
So
bad.
it's hot. Yeah.
So you can
Mm.
give him a present.
Yeah, I can. Of course. Of
Support that
course.
merch.
Of course.
We gotta get them Banking with Billy hoodies.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get
Dude, you
that.
should do the
I'm gonna send you.
you should do
I'm gonna
the
send you a picture with that.
you should make a Banging with Billy hoodie, but like the Bitcoin sign, but like double B. You know what I mean?
Had a
Double B
Bitcoin.
going.
That'd be
Had,
Billy,
lit, dude. That'd be lit as fuck. I'd buy one.
had to be with the Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Billy, I finally could load my Coinbase with some bucks from Euro to BTC. What's next?
Gonna go back to your Margex app and then look on the
Yeah,
right on the front of it on the homepage just to say a deposit button right there. Do you see that?
yeah, yeah. Einzahlen in Germany. Yes. Yeah.
Now, when you press that, it'll tell you. Let me go to mine real quick. When you press that, press
There's
deposit.
yeah.
Then you're gonna press. It say BTC right under where it says hot. Press BTC.
Uh, BTC. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, hot.
Okay, you're
BTC.
gonna
Yeah.
press copy your address.
Yeah. Yeah. This address here. Okay.
Now you're
Did.
gonna go
Yeah.
back to. Now you're gonna go back to your Coinbase. And on
Yeah.
your
I go back
Coinbase,
to
you go on
Coinbase.
your
Yeah.
Coinbase, you're gonna
Yeah.
press BTC.
In the okay.
And you're gonna press
So I
send.
press. So hold on. I see in Coinbase only that I have a deposit, but I don't see any send. I see trade and transfer, the two buttons
It gotta
in
be transfer.
Coinbase.
It gotta
GTA
be
6
transfer.
before it's even released right now.
Yeah, transfer, übertragen. Yes, I see
And
that.
it should be somewhere in there.
And
It
then
should
it
say
says,
paste address.
no, I have Kryptowährung senden. It means send cryptocurrency via
Send.
email address or phone number. Yeah. Okay, let me check. And then it
Paste.
says I can only put an email address. No, it does not work. Sorry, I'm
Let me
stupid.
see. I got Coinbase on here. Let me see.
Yeah, sorry.
When you click into it, should have phone, email, Bitcoin, Lightning, Base. It should have like
I
different
see
levels.
buy, sell, send, receive. If I click on send,
Go to
yeah,
send crypto. And then when you go to send crypto, you're gonna see your
a search button
Bitcoin
like Google. I
click
see
on
just a
two.
Google. I'm sorry.
When you click on two, you got to select the network that you're sending it to.
I see. Sorry, I'm stupid, but I
I'm on
see
Bitcoin.
crypto.
I'm on home right
Yeah,
now. So
I
check
put
this
in
out.
crypto.
I'm on
Okay,
home
I see
page.
crypto.
I'm on home page. I
Yeah,
click on Bitcoin.
yeah,
Click on Bitcoin.
yeah.
Now we on Bitcoin
Yes, I
charts
did.
with the price, and at the bottom it say buy and sell and transfer. I press
Yes,
transfer.
and I put in transfer. Yes, yeah.
Now I
And
see
then it
send
says
and receive. It says send
yes,
says to a crypto address, email, or phone number. Yours only says email and
yes.
phone number.
It says email and phone number for free, and then it says Lightning and Bitcoin standard. Bitcoin. It says Bitcoin, Solana,
That's
Base,
it.
Lightning, and all this stuff.
But it says send to a crypto address. No crypto address on there.
No, it says only telephone, email,
Yo,
Bitcoin,
your
Lightning,
thing
Base.
might not be letting you. Might only be. I don't know. I don't know.
No, when you click on it, you gotta add the invoice. Click on send, email and phone. It's gonna show you.
Yeah, I click on this. Yeah, I click on this. Okay. Then it says, yeah, and then it says paste from Magix. You're right. Yes, it's possible. It
You
says,
gotta
yeah,
add your
I did that.
invoice
Yeah, I put it in there. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, it worked.
because
And now it's loading.
I'm
And then
sending.
it
I'm doing.
says I can
Yeah,
put in money. Yeah, how much? Yeah, okay, I'm putting it in here. Just $5.
Did I just hop on GTA 6?
I did 10. Sent
Mm,
successful. Two details. Copy that.
mm, oh.
Trying to see his
Now I'm gonna
TRX
go back.
point super explode to 40 cents. It sounds like it's out of reach. That would be so crazy.
I'm happy you introduced Bitcoin into your community.
Yeah, it's definitely cool for everybody. We've been learning a lot more and expanding a lot.
Do you ever touch TRX Gold?
Never heard of it.
Okay.
I wouldn't.
Y'all ready to go?
What's the volume right now?
Might as well just invest in gold.
69.99. 69.99. Yeah, might do it though. Yeah, that's a lot for 30 minutes. Yeah, all right, we still coming back up though. Hella good though. Yo, this Ocean Power stock is volatile right now. We at $1.10 again. Shit.
Damn, where we going with FFIE?
If
To the
if
moon.
I
Camera
You
day
think so?
future. Yeah, I think this motherfucker finna explode. They finna make this explode. FFIE moving with Bitcoin. It's gonna do whatever Bitcoin do. I'm standing on it. They gonna do whatever Bitcoin do, and I think Bitcoin gonna explode.
That shit. Oh my
are you
god,
sure
bro. I
Bitcoin's
should
gonna
stop.
explode?
I hope Bitcoin explode.
All right, there you go.
Yeah.
FFIE. What else they got? Let me see. Let's go look at ACHR now. What they doing? Not shit. What about Joby? Even worse than. I mean, yeah, they not doing bad, but nothing. What about HOVR? They on the move for sure. Shortly, HOVR. Oh, bearish.
Yeah.
Market's super choppy today. This is a choppy one. 4,000 advancers, 1,700 decliners currently. All these advancers finna start coming down.
Today might be weird because it's the last day to get in or out for text.
Yeah, yeah.
Whew. Shit. Hey, buddy. That shit crazy, man. It's just like a few days ago. It's just like it was a free market, bro. Like a few days ago. Damn.
A lot of people are going to be taking their losses today on these and reinvesting tomorrow. So then they can take capital gain loss on some of it.
Okay. No, oh yeah, no one would want to sell. Yeah, this is like a terrible. If you want to, now I don't think the market is open on New Year's Day.
I don't know.
Stock,
All right, it's
stock
closed
market can't be
tomorrow.
open. Yeah, yeah, no, but that gives me hope, right? Because who the hell would want to sell today?
Right?
I'm gonna try to pay taxes next year, not this year.
So in Europe, you based regardless of the taxes, if you have a loss, you can. There is no limit on day. Yeah, if I have losses, I can take the tax losses take over in many years. So it does not.
Yeah, they divide it up between years.
Yeah. Yes. So it's no problem.
Good.
No problem. At least in Germany. I don't know how it is in Italy, Spain, and so on.
Yeah, it's the same out here. I think it's like a $3,000 refund on it.
Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
But yeah, if you go over, they'll split. You know, if you go 4,000 this year, they'll take that 1,000 and carry it into next year's tax season.
Okay. Understood. Mm-hmm.
And like Billy's saying, you know, sometimes just take those losses, redistribute your values, and today's really the day to do that. If you're going to be applying this to taxes, this is not financial advice.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so there's other ways. If your portfolio is green, like hella green, then yeah, just sell in the new year. But if your portfolio is hella red, then Oh, but
You ain't
that
got nothing to
okay.
worry about.
So that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Does it?
Anyone who's green is going to want to lock in their gains because a lot of people want to sell so that they could get the tax. All right. All right, we
The
gotta
tax
see.
write off.
All right, that's
A
good to
lot of
know.
people, especially if you're banking all year and you're not taking very many losses, now's the time to just eat those losses because you're gonna get it covered up anyway.
Just hold on to it.
Ah, you fucker. Ah, damn it. All right. Yeah, I just gotta hope
Don't
for a
give them
miracle, I
one side of the
suppose.
story and then don't give them the other. Like, what the fuck?
That transfer take like what, 30 minutes, Billy?
For Marjax,
Yeah.
probably like 5-10 minutes.
Because mine still say pending. Trying to get on over here and see what this leverage do.
I'm excited because when the stock market's closed, bro, you know me, I don't know what to do when the stock market's closed. I'm I'm on crypto and leverage nonstop.
That's all right. They don't never sleep, do it.
Mm-hmm.
Where's addicted?
Don't never sleep.
I sleep.
Yeah, keep
You
a
get
good
up
eye
at
on
4.
crypto tonight.
You wake up that. Oh, yeah, crypto stock markets is like 24/7 with it, right?
Yep.
They don't.
It don't
That's
sleep.
crazy.
There's no way
I
it
can't do
can
that.
be.
I can't
And
do
you know
crypto
what?
now.
You got to
People
do
are
what
going to
I
be
Why?
cashing out, like we're saying.
you
They
you
got to
got
have
to
a place to put it because they're going to be bored. They don't want their investments sitting.
you got to be in crypto and be in stocks to be really having the full understanding of the entire markets because they all move as a whole. It's like you trading stocks, and especially now where the stock markets have such a heavy dependency on Bitcoin for its movements and whatnot. You gotta trade crypto, or you know what I mean. You missing a major piece of the puzzle.
You make that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Yeah, yeah.
And
Tech and crypto is good.
now we finna have this thing called quantum crypto. We finna have a thing called a quantum crypto. We finna have quantum crypto coins. Right now, everything we know, the whole world, and everything the ways we trade, the way that the markets move, everything is finna change, and it's finna all be because of straight cryptocurrency and because of quantum. We got to be able to adapt. And this does come down to how you were saying earlier, KJ, on the AIs and bots and whatnot. The crypto markets move how they move because everybody doing copy trades, and those copy trades connected to a bunch of AIs and whatnot. So you got millions of people in the world, not even millions of people in the world, millions of AIs and robots in the world trading
Biggest
those
fucking
moves.
scam in the world, dude.
It's
I
crazy.
wish I had me a Friday right
That
now.
shit is like, what the fuck?
IW1 puts to 220.
I'm just really debating if I want to dump my PayPal money in the crypto right now because I got a
Don't do it.
$1,000 limit.
Don't do it. I'm telling you right now, don't do it. If you're debating it, then you should probably not do it.
Yeah, I'm
That's
not
that's financial advice.
because they
I
just
agree.
sent
It's
me a
financial
notification.
advice.
They just sent me a notification. You've been approved, and we're awarding you this limit. I was like, oh, okay, because shit, I've been using PayPal for years, and it's like now all of a sudden I get a gift for Christmas.
Oh shit! So what you're telling me is you're thinking about betting money that you don't even actually have. Yeah, no, you probably shouldn't do that.
I agree.
Yeah, yeah, and just in case, yeah, man, just there's another day. Like these pennies. There's penny stocks to make money off of, bro. This 52 week
Oh
low.
yeah, true.
Those
You're
52
Since I've
week
already
been
rich.
lows.
since I've
Tell
been
them
You're
working
again,
with
those
Billy, my
52-week lows.
portfolio don't went up to 100.
Yeah, you don't, you're not in a place of poverty anymore. Like you rich now. Like you don't got to do it. Don't like you got to start watching stories about people who've been rich and then they fucking threw it all away over some stupid shit. Like they already had $1 billion and they wanted more and now they're in jail.
Man,
Like you got to watch shit like that.
I was used to making 10,000 a month after taxes in my career before I had my injury, before I got shot and couldn't walk anymore.
Oh my god,
So
I'm so sorry.
You want to know where to spend that money? Go buy a fucking nice ass meal and some alcohol if you drink like
No,
for today, and then that's where you should put that money at if you're actually trying to spend it. But I wouldn't
I'll probably
gamble
just
it.
buy
Like what
some
the fuck?
food and grill since it's New Year's. Just buy some food and
Exactly,
grill.
man.
I just bought my son some new games for his Switch, so he ain't gotta bother me no more about the games. He done made all A's this
Oh,
semester,
nice.
so I'm good right now.
That's where you spend that money.
Just
Yeah,
not
I
hookers.
would. Yeah, I would say, what do you guys think about getting out of America? Because Russia, nuclear wall, that shit, dude. Oh man,
If
I
I
swear.
leave, I might go back to Dubai or I'm going to Venice. As I said, I was
I'm,
contracting overseas, so I've been overseas, especially when I was in the military. But I loved Venice. Had a good time in
okay.
Venice, Dubai,
Yeah,
northern parts of
I'll be
Saudi Arabia.
You're still gonna have America to come back to when you get back, brother. Trust me. I got you.
I
Dude,
know.
I'm going south, dude.
I'm still waiting.
If I make it happen, well,
My
where can you
pass,
trade?
my
Oh, go
passport's
ahead.
on
I'm sorry.
back order right now. I had to renew it, and like everybody named Mama trying to get a passport. When I went to the post office. I saw an old lady in a wheelchair applying for a passport. I was like, man, all these appointments. Like everybody named
IW1
Mama trying
puts
to get a
strike
passport now.
220. Spy puts
I
to
got a
587.
I got a question. Did you guys hear about that cruise ship that is like you can like live on now? Like they got like apartments and stuff set up like all year round.
I ain't living on no water.
I mean,
Yeah, it's fucking
I
dead.
mean, I heard about it, but that's not a bad idea if
I
you
seen
know
it like no, I seen an article, but I can't find it again. It's a real life cruise ship that's been like it's been
IW1
like
puts
two
up
years
25%.
after COVID. They
what
have put they after COVID, people can buy and rent out apartments on the ship and just live on the water. And like I say, they go in and they dock and stuff like that.
what
That
branch
thing, I
did you
was like,
serve
what?
in?
Spy puts up
I was like,
50%.
what the hell? I was like, you gotta have a passport for that. If they doing all the traveling around the world and doing all this docking and stuff.
Now, what branch you serve in though,
I did the Marines. I did 4.5 in
Billy,
Marines.
bro?
IW1
Billy,
puts
you
up
have a
Hey,
stop
30%.
loss
that's not
for
the same.
FFIE?
I don't.
It's not a it's not a vacation. It's a
I'm not
staycation.
selling.
Hmm.
You're fucked. You can't really do anything. You're on that boat.
Yeah, that's
You're
coming
paying
back
to be
down.
there. Like where they go, they gotta go. I mean, you may have a say here and
Market's
there,
going down
but
as well right now. You do have the markets that are having a quick pullback. We got 4,400 advancers. They definitely finna pull some of those back. 1,400 decliners. Towards the end of the day, it's going to be at least about 2,000 of those decliners. You know what I mean? SPY puts are up 45%, and IWM puts are up 30% right now. Hollow up 150%, and FFIE up 50%. Plug power. They holding up strong. Plug in and power up. They finna go to the moon. Still sitting good and everything.
Oh damn.
BTC, I'm still up 375%, 385% now. And TRX, I'm still up 214%.
Oh my god.
bro, what the fuck did
Dude,
you
how?
buy in at?
Like 92,000, 91,000.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's when it did. Yeah. Oh, you bought like you bought it 91 straight, or did you buy like
It
some
was like
shit
it was like
like different?
91,700 or something like that on BTC.
Like how you up 375? What you mean? Like Bitcoin's at like
Oh,
30
I
grand now.
trade with we use 100 times leverage in our crypto trades. We advance, bro.
I
That's
told
that's
you,
what I was
Billy.
trying to figure out.
I
Yeah, yeah,
told
yeah.
you be
All right. I
confusing
was
some
like, what
people.
the fuck are you talking about?
I just got my transfer, Billy. I'm in Margex now.
Oh
I
shit.
got my 10 over there.
You know
I'm gonna
what? We
be up
finna
with
go.
you at midnight, two in the morning, doing some trading.
Hey, welcome to the life, bro. You finna get some of the biggest percents ever in your life, bro. It's
You
easy
almost
Like
made
I
too.
me
told
open
you,
my
I've been
fucking
looking at the
browser.
videos.
You almost made me open my fucking browser and just be like, what the fuck is going on with BTC?
Yeah,
I'm in
apologies,
my browser
apologies,
now.
apologies. New members. Matavo, you already been in here. You already know what's
I
going
know,
on.
but still, yeah, I see it every now and then, but it's just like, okay, maybe I missed something. But then you
You,
talk
you
about it
probably
constantly. I'm just like,
you
what the
probably not so
fuck?
used to the rapid fire crypto alerts and they be super slow. I understand. This is what you do, Matavo. Go download your Margex real quick. If you need a couple dollars, I'll send you a couple dollars real quick. You feel me?
I'm gonna let you sell me on it. Go ahead.
Download your Margex. Download your Margex. Then we're gonna study these. We're gonna study these crypto trades. If you need a couple dollars, I'll send you a couple dollars to your Cash App. You feel me? And then you be able to load on your margins. You be able to train in some of these crypto trades. You feel me? So you feel comfortable to really go in like how you is on stocks. It's the same setup and the same strategy to trade. You just going from oversold to overbought. Nothing has ever changed.
Love it.
You want to evolve?
I'm really struggling to get this to get bitcoins sent. It says always I've already loaded 1,000 euros and it's not sending me anything to Margex. It says always
Look at
not
your
possible.
transactions. Because I say, look at your transactions and see if it's still sending. Because mine just finished.
Oh no, my problem is I have the money now in Coinbase, but I cannot send from Coinbase to Margex.
You need another app.
It always says, yeah, I'm using the mobile app, and I
Mm.
have my the money is there in Coinbase, but
This is
I'm
what you're
not.
gonna have to do.
Oh,
You're gonna have to send it to a trusted member in here, and then a trusted member in here can be able to deposit to your Margex through their address. You got to find a way to be able to send
It's
it to
that or
somebody else's
something must
Coinbase.
be wrong with the code he used. Because I said I just did the same thing with Coinbase and I
yeah.
had no issue.
I use
Okay,
Cash App.
so no, so yeah. So what I did is I have now Coinbase, and in Coinbase I have that money. Then I click on my account and I say transfer. Then it says, as you know, send on crypto address, email address, or phone. Yeah. Then
Click
I
email. Click phone and email.
okay. So I just use this. I can also use email. It's also no problem. But I don't
No,
think
it's
so. That
no.
All of them.
Listen, when you click on it, you gotta put the invoice in there because it says phone, email, or invoice. You want to put the invoice in the tab at top. And then
ah.
that would
No,
say you click phone. It says phone and email, but they didn't add invoice, but it's the same thing. You put the invoice in there and then click the preview. It's gonna tell you the fees and everything else, and then click send. And then it's gonna start the process. And when you go to your transactions, you're gonna see it sending, and then you're gonna get notified when it's complete.
no. That's not my problem. My problem is I have this copy. This. I go
Spike
as you
puts up
told me. I click
70%.
on hot BTC and I put in this paying address for Margex. I copy this
Mhm.
paying address. That all works. Then I have a screen where I can put in euro, dollars, and receiving. And if I try to put any kind of amount, it says always preview, but I cannot
IWM puts up
proceed. It
110%.
only gives me
So,
preview.
question: when you were at that step, are you seeing something that's gray at the bottom that's telling you how much the transaction fee is? Because I say if you're putting
Spike
too
puts up
much in and you don't have
90%.
enough in your Coinbase, it's not going to do it.
I put in 990 euros. That's totally enough,
Okay.
and
Now, do
there's
you have
enough money
enough
in
for
there.
the transfer fee?
Southern
Pardon?
IWM puts 100% gain.
Do you
Southern
have
Spike
enough
puts
for the
100% gain.
transfer fee?
Yes, I have enough for the transfer fee, but the problem is it says asset to send. You do not have any account what allows you to send. So I need to make an account that I'm allowed to send. What is that stupid stuff? Because I'm verified in Coinbase.
Maybe a
I've
3D
done
face.
everything.
Southern
But it
IWM puts
says
90% gain.
this is so horrible. What stupid stuff. Why
It sounds like
can't
a
I send it?
region lock.
Yeah, I don't know
Uh,
what's wrong with that step right there if you don't
This
have an
what you're gonna
account
have
to
to do.
send.
This what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to share your screen with us. Share your screen with us, and we'll be able to guide you through what to
okay.
do.
Let me log in. Because I was doing it with my mobile phone. I need to go online. Let me check. It's
I feel
really
like when everybody traded stocks, they should Discord should be on the computer, bro. So like if something crazy happened, share the screen real quick action. Everybody,
yeah. I have Discord
I'm
on
a
the
bonus.
computer. No, I have Discord on my computer because when I speak with my developers all around the world, they all use Discord. It's no problem. I have Discord on my computer. Wait a moment. Let me log in first.
If you're a
Prepare the fat
programmer,
burger.
you're using now your
Yes, of
One
course I
second, one
have
second.
but I was speaking to you and using my mobile app so I could listen what you're doing.
Did any of y'all just catch those puts that we just got? Just like in 100% gains off of 100% gains off of the spy puts and 90% gains off IWM puts. Anybody catch these?
I was trying
I,
to,
Yeah,
but
No.
I sure
Billy,
didn't.
I'm gonna follow you for the New Year, Billy, bro. Come
Coach
on,
Kami,
man.
I know Matovo. I know you called him Matovo.
Huh?
What?
Oh
Oh,
yeah. Absolutely.
he ain't even paying attention.
Yeah, I'm about to go take another shot and play some Counter Strike.
I see. You playing it on here?
Yeah, yeah. I'll stream it in here in
Dude,
a
let me
second.
play
I'm
with you.
just.
What's up? Just start the activity. I'm
You want
down.
to play some Counter Strike,
Fuck yeah.
bro? Activity? No, 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 no.
What you
You
do?
got
How you
Steam?
do it? Nah,
All
I
right, bro.
gotta,
Let me
I gotta, I
educate
gotta,
you in
I
the
gotta,
ways of
I
the
gotta Xbox.
gamer world.
Sadly, yeah, pathetically.
We'll have that conversation a different day, not today. I'm a little too intoxicated to walk you through all that shit. But yeah,
Happy New
definitely
Year's.
we can get on the gaming realm if you want to get into that with me.
Yeah, cool. Another later on after I get done working and stuff like that. Hell yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
If you on the PS5 to switch to the Xbox, talk to me. But I don't do computer gaming. But if
What are
it
you
has
talking about? The
cross-platform,
PS5 is a computer.
I'm talking about like with the keyboard and stuff, not with the
And
controller.
Counter Strike's cross compatible, isn't it?
Yeah. No, I don't know. I don't care. I just shoot them.
As I said, hell, I ain't even been on
Don't
Call of Duty in a while. Been like 2 months since I've been on Call of Duty.
don't quote me, but I think you can play on different platforms through stream.
We have some developers
Yeah.
working for GTA 6. They will totally delay. They will not be go on market.
Oh god.
That game is not coming on time, I can tell you already. I mean, everyone is waiting for that game.
Bro,
So
who
the stock
actually
price
comes on time?
on Take Two will go down, and then you can buy. Just if you're interested on
Yeah.
gaming and
Billy,
stocks.
you see what you're doing?
Hmm?
You see how you're manipulating the market right now?
I,
Sorry.
I learned how to manipulate Google too. I learned how to manipulate Google using
So
different
fucked
various
up.
links, backlinks, and articles. It's cool. I can make anything explode.
Um.
You can
So
make
now markets
APLT
closing at.
explode. That'd be great.
APLT, that's another story right there. Let me see. APLT. We talk about those therapy. APLT can be fine though. They finna explode no matter what.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Yeah, APLT cool.
Yeah. So now markets ain't going to close today.
They not.
Markets go to. I'm sorry. No, they they close it at 4 o'clock today. My fault. My bad.
Damn. I
Yeah.
thought it was gonna be an early day today. But yeah, check this APLT at. I mean this APLT, Mr. Coach Sassfar. This one right here, this is your style, the therapeutic. Low and oversold, 90 cents. Gonna make bullish
Mm-hmm.
divergence in about another 3 weeks. Might even spike before then.
Mm-hmm. That sounds really good.
Bullish divergence coming
That's not
in on the
bad.
dailies. And they got a gap to fill towards $8.50. This one going to the moon. Going to the
This is
moon. They got
something I
short
would
interest.
take. I
This
got your.
has
You have my full attention.
this one here has
Hey, you
massive
you
short interest. This is
your
huge.
GALT is going up too.
Let's see.
They
Ah,
just got
nice.
John Johnson as their CEO. So
John,
Oh,
once the
wow.
Who
lawsuit
called down
um,
GALT this morning?
goes away, they're probably gonna pop.
Yeah,
I
I'm seeing
see.
it. I'm 2000 and plus. I'm
There's
seeing it.
Billy,
another one.
who called GALT this morning? Someone called
Me,
GALT
me,
this
me,
morning.
me, me, me,
Oh,
me.
that was you. Okay, that was
It
you.
was
Okay,
me.
Me.
Just
okay,
call me Saad, not Mr. Asfar. My
okay.
full name is Shah Ali Ashraf Shamsu Saad Asfar. My grand grandfather was the treasury manager of Shah Bahlavari, the Persian king, who
Oh,
went in
dang.
exile to Egypt. Yes.
Okay.
Impressive.
Yeah. I can't.
Uh,
Send me some of them
I really
gold
can't.
bars.
Let's say this guy dude don't even need to work the stock market.
oh, I like to work.
I can't find the entry that one. Entry 122.
There's another health stock to check out. Y'all check out Sava, because Sava Sciences. They over a
Mm.
dollar, which is very good there since they not out of compliance, and they got a super move to make back up towards about $30.
What's the ticker?
I like that.
SAVA.
SAVA.
Super massive insurances. They always have been. This is squeeze begging to happen. All they need is one piece of anything to make this thing move.
Prem Sensei has been talking a lot on this one.
Since they Prem do call it mean stock, she do. Definitely. This one was super move.
Yeah, that shit had a
I got
major
sensitives in
freaking
here,
drop.
and
I need to
That shit
check
had a
its
major drop
chart real
last
quick.
month.
I might get
Gap
into it.
down. Gap down. Shit look ugly. Ooh, they pay dividends though.
Salvador's?
They pay $2 a
nah.
dividends.
Yeah.
Wow.
They must pay quarterly though. Let me pull up the stat sheet.
Do you think some of that's subject, like, due to change?
Yeah, definitely for sure, for sure. They're gonna change that up if the stock don't go back up.
Because Ford's dividend was like 10% the other day, and now it's like 7%.
Yeah, if they
Well,
was
hell,
giving
they
us
numbers look good for the quarter. For the quarters, hell, from the past 4 quarters, hell, they done
yes,
beat all their stuff. So
they got very good balance sheets up in there. Total assets are
yeah,
doing liabilities. That debt to asset ratio, it ain't all the way up there. It's in the middle, but there ain't nothing wrong with that. Let's look on Mumu. Mumu got all the
This looks
information.
really good.
They do.
yeah.
So
Go
can I
ahead.
can I share my screen so you can help me,
No,
guys?
Let's
Oh
try.
go
shit,
ahead.
Salva's already fucking jumped in, bro. In a couple seconds. Here.
I'm totally
So
in here to the other guys.
Might try to get in under 35 if I can get lucky.
235 right there.
Yeah.
Are you sharing your screen?
I try to.
no, wait a moment. I just need to on Margex. I have to scan my code to
You gotta go
get
through the
in.
security stuff.
Yeah. Where is in Margex the camera where I can? There's a QR code. I don't want to sign in again here. It's stupid. You know where that is? Or do I have to log in again with those same credentials? Oh,
Yeah,
I have to do everything
you
again.
definitely want to be logged in.
Yeah.
If you finna transfer some cryptocurrencies, you definitely want to be logged
Yeah.
in. You know what I mean? You want to be as
Okay,
most
fine.
connected as possible. When you transfer cryptocurrency, you
Okay.
throwing that out into limbo.
Okay. Let me
So shit.
log in.
Click on the
How the
phone.
fuck are you in charge of people?
Pardon?
I said it should be a little tab right there that'll open up the sign in for you when you do
Yeah.
it. Let me sign back out.
Yeah. Let me
Yeah,
check in. I'm also signing in.
but you use I said
I have horrible
move for
passwords. You know.
crypto, right?
Oh no, you gotta remember
Yeah.
your password, your login.
Yeah.
Don't miss
I have it on my phone. It's okay. But it's horrible long.
I almost want to say this dude's a red
Yeah.
flag.
it.
Yo, all right. So
I'm used to dealing and working with people like this, so it's normal for me.
Yeah, I
This
done
is like the normal
I done taught a lot
population.
of people
Like
to
even
a
giggles.
lot of
Like
people
what
how
the
to do
fuck?
all of this
Like
stuff.
do you not pick up on that shit?
all right. So Billy, I should use like Webull. Like you use Webull. Do you have to like create it where I'm logged into an account, but like, to add all your personal to access the dashboard for Webull? Like, do you have to have like a properly opened account, or can you just like
No,
access the platform?
you can just go use Webull without signing in. I mean, like you can use you know what I mean, look at the stocks and the dashboard and all that stuff like that
No, I need
without
my own
actually making
dashboard.
an
I
account.
want this set up. No, I need like your setup. I want to have your setup so I can like
All
because
right.
like you just like go tap and you just get all the insights and like you get like you're seeing
You
the
got it.
things that like
You
Fidelity showing me.
you get used to that though, bro. I've been doing this nonstop for years, bro. This is all I've ever done for years is stare at these charts in this
How many
class with
monitors
these
you
people.
running, Billy?
How many what?
Watching a live action
How many monitors you running?
movie right now.
My computer screen, I got my cell phone. I'm
Yeah,
over,
You
yeah,
on
yeah.
one
I
screen?
use my computer screen so I can type in my alerts because that way I ain't got to switch screen so much on my phone. And I put my phone because it's handy to trade stocks on the phone. It's handy. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
It,
So,
I
you
get
know,
you on that
this
part.
makes me
beforehand.
fast so I can sit here and just stare at a chart. You feel me? And then just see what it's doing while I execute the moves on my phone. And I can easily get back to my section real quick and then just be able to type in, you know what I mean? These, and those, and so on and so forth. You know, this way it make me the quickest. But like for me, I find it in one too because I know what I'm not looking for. You know what I mean? It's not so much about what I'm looking for. I'm honing out everything I don't like to see because I already know for sure I don't want to see something at the top. So I can easily just skip past everything at the top gainer. No need to look at the top loser because I'm already going to the 52-week lows. I'm not watching the most active because I'm not doing an intraday day trade. You know what I mean? I ain't got no business there. I'm only now that I honed out all that, I'm only going to one list on the entire stock market, and my watch list is made for me. Y'all watch list is too. Our watch list is a 52-week low list. If a stock on that 52-week low, it's finna get ready to come in for that next move. Once you get to making that next move, boom, you get ready to lock in your gains real quick. Get ready for maybe you decide to hold on still, but you still got the option of locking your gains real quick and then move on to the next thing. Like Galt down here, for example, even. You know what I mean? We could have caught Galt in time. Still some more time. Just rinse and repeat. And when I'm coming to here, I know what I don't like to see. So I don't like to see a MACD and an RSI that's already doing that while it's still getting more bears. It's a bad sign right there. I don't want to see a free float of 43 million. If I see a 43 million float on this list, I'm going right past that. 16 million and it's looking like this. I ain't got no business there. In fact, it already kind of filled up that gap. I'm looking for what I don't like to see. But since it's already like 30 stocks on this list, I already know I'm not gonna like to see. It's easier to pick out like 5 or 7 of them that I actually do like to see.
Yeah, you
And then we
just
would have been
gonna
able to
shut it
catch
down.
things like
That's also
BDMD
if I was looking
that
at the
just went from the
market.
52-week lows, and this one up 350%. It's always at the 52-week lows first. But like since I'm not rushing through them to look for them day by day by day by day, it make it a lot easier because I give us a full set for the week. And then we just locking in gains, as they go along throughout the week and whatnot.
Okay,
And then if
guys, I am
yes,
sharing my
sir.
screen.
Okay,
Finally.
let's see.
So you can do help desk support.
That's what I want to hear, Billy. I want to
Let me.
hear some real ass shit. Like, you know what I mean?
Can you see my
All
screen,
right,
guys?
I can
Your
see
screen
it.
is still loading just a
Yeah.
bit for me.
So sorry, we are in the outside a little bit
Okay.
due to Happy New Year. So
Okay,
here I have my Bitcoin.
you want to press, I believe that's whatever it says transfer at.
It says
Yeah,
Kryptowährung
Can
senden.
you
That's
translate
German.
the page to
Click
English?
on that one.
yeah,
That's the one you want to
right
click
Yeah,
click.
on.
this is this one. This
Yeah,
is
Yeah,
the
click
arrow.
right
on
click
that one.
and hit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Change
dude,
it.
right click.
Change the entire screen to English.
I
Yeah,
can
right click and
understand it.
say.
Sorry,
Let me
one
let
by
me do
one.
this. Let me do it. Let me do it. Now, right there, where you got your nets to work and things like that. Click on that.
Yeah, yeah. Then I go here.
I click on telephone or the emailer.
Yeah. Then I
Now
have here. Hmm? This
put
is
your
from
code, put
Magix. Yeah,
your
this
invoice
is my
in.
code.
Yeah,
Yeah, here. This
yeah.
one, yeah, from
Copy
Magix.
that. Click
Yeah,
on the address. Copy that.
yeah. And then if I type this in here, yeah, in here, correct? This is the one,
Now click
correct?
on that. Yes, click on it.
Yeah. And then it says you do not have anything, but I have over 950 bucks
Oh,
with
you
Billy, I'm
got it.
Bitcoin.
telling
Okay,
you,
you
make
gotta
him
give it a.
Hold
switch
on.
it
Wait,
to
wait, 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 wait.
English. Make him switch it to English.
I can switch things, but where do I do that fucking
You
stuff?
just right
Yeah.
click on the
Right
goddamn
click.
browser, like somewhere, dude.
Right
How
click
are
on the
you in
browser.
Yeah,
charge of
right click.
Yeah,
somebody
here,
that
come
like?
on. But yeah, I
Yeah,
can put in English, but
I
this
get
is
what
Google.
you're
Yeah,
talking
this is
about.
Google Translate. So, but
I
this
get
is
what
not
you're talking
the
about.
from Coinbase. Yeah, this is my Google Translator English.
That's
Your
There's
also
no
your
thing
English.
is
homepage.
your account is probably since this is a brand new account and just accept it. It's probably gonna give you a few days to let things settle and make sure things are legit before
Hold
you can
on, wait.
send.
Click on
Yeah,
homepage.
yeah, you gotta do
So
like
you
a
can
wire
verify
transfer, bro.
everything. Click on your
What
homepage.
is it?
This
Pardon?
is his homepage.
Yeah, I click on
The
here.
wire
Yeah,
transfer.
sure.
So
Yeah.
why is it not showing you your
Yeah,
stuff?
you see? I have
And it's supposed to show
952
you
euros. It's
Billy, I'm
totally
telling you,
enough.
be
your
careful
account.
with this dude.
All right, click on my value.
Yeah, pardon?
Click on my values. It's supposed
Yeah,
to show
here
you
you
what's
are.
inside of your account.
All fine.
Okay, that's your crypto.
Yeah.
Click on Bitcoin.
I click on Bitcoin. Here you are.
That shit dropped crazy.
Now you click on
Oh,
Bitcoin. Now on the side,
Yeah.
scroll down and go back to sin again.
Yes. And then
Then
it says,
cryptocurrency. You don't have any Bitcoin to
yeah.
send. You You gotta buy some Bitcoin then.
There's nothing in there, you see?
It might just not be in there yet. It might show that that's what you are trying to transfer,
Go to
but it might not
transactions.
actually
Pardon?
hit your account right yet.
Go to your transactions.
Yeah, I go to my transactions, yes. Here.
266 923.
You purchase Bitcoin. I don't know. I
Look
don't know what's
into it.
going on. If you got it sitting there, it should be able to transfer over. You
Yeah,
might
but
want to
it's,
call Bitcoin and let them know.
you see? It's there, but I can't transfer. Look, I'm not so stupid. Ah, good sake.
They stole, they
You
stole your money.
you might want to call
They ain't steal
Bitcoin.
your
Go
money.
ahead and
They ain't steal
open
your
up
money. What you gotta do is you going this is Coinbase we talking about. We know how legit Coinbase is. Coinbase so legit that they want to wait a couple days until your funds settle on Coinbase. Coinbase
Okay.
want to make you settle. I just went through the same thing a couple days ago. Then I just put my first things up in the Coinbase, and as soon as I put it up in there, it was a couple thousand. First thing they said is because mine was to move the Marjakes, of course. First thing they
and you
said
gotta
was
wait till it clear.
I had like a 24 or 48 hour wait period or something like that. That's probably what they doing to you.
Because
Okay.
of the amount.
Okay. Okay.
Dude,
It's
stop
because of the amount.
yelling at me.
Because I
Yeah,
say, yeah, when I go to
push
the
it on
bank,
another account.
I
say I
mean,
put
I
like
just put in here
20,000.
money, but I can't transfer it. Yeah. I mean, it's not so difficult to
Your
go
money
in
there though.
there, and it's very, yeah.
Your
Yo,
money there, you gotta wait till it process because it has to clear. It has
What
to
Just
what
like a
clear.
bank.
you should do is you should sell it out of Bitcoin for now and just let it sit in your account. I mean, unless you want to let it sit in Bitcoin, but things might be turning bearish today. You know what I mean?
Hey man,
Yeah,
four
I
You can
know.
percent's
always still
4%.
trade Bitcoin right now on Coinbase because that's what I've been doing.
You say you leave
Yeah.
it. You say you leave it in Bitcoin.
No,
I
Coinbase
shall
you
I?
can always still trade.
I can sell
You
it.
can
It's
still
no
trade
problem.
in Coinbase.
Yeah, go ahead and sell it. And when you sell, it stays in Coinbase, but
Whoa,
it goes from
whoa,
Bitcoin
whoa!
to your regular Coinbase holdings. So it goes from Bitcoin to regular money.
Don't tell him to go ahead and sell it. Hey man, what do you want to do? You want to hold on to it, or do you want to sell it?
I can also hold on it. I have no problem with that.
Okay,
Hold it.
I
it's your
can't hold on
choice.
by you
It's
when
your
you
Hold it.
leave.
choice. I just don't want you to feel like just because somebody said sell it that you have to
Yeah.
sell
Yeah,
it.
read your market. If it's gonna go up in your eyes, hold it.
If
Hmm.
you in the
Okay.
dream, you part of the dream.
Okay. I'm going to show you something what you have not seen before. Something totally different.
Backflip.
What's
Yeah.
that?
So I'm
I've
building
seen plenty
something
of dicks in my life, dude.
which is not in the, yeah. I'm building something like Facebook for the healthcare industry. I did this for one of the pharma companies in America. They have have the Nobel Prize for the RNA technology. It's an island. They were the first ones who did the sequencing. And I have 400 data scientists in India and 800 developers in Bangladesh. And this is a company in America who invented medicine, which is based on treating for heart failure based on a deficiency on a protein. Huh? What we can do is we analyze with AI. I'm not selling you. I'm just telling you what I do. I can analyze based on any kind of disease through AI who's the expert. So this is an heart failure disease, huh? Very rare. And if I click, and these are the doctors in America who are experts to treat this heart failure disease.
Wait,
If I
can I
click
ask you
on,
something? Can I ask you a
yeah,
question? Why are
yes.
you showing us this?
I'm just showing this to you because it's quite interesting because that's why I know all these pharma companies.
No. Why are you showing this to us? I
Ah, yeah, I'm
understand
telling
that
you.
it's interesting to you,
Yeah.
but
No,
why are you
no,
showing it to us?
I'm telling you. I'm telling you because if there is a new bioceutical pharma company, they come to us for their launch excellence.
I
So they
see.
want to
Oh,
know.
so,
Yes,
oh, this
that's
is the
right.
insider
See.
trading.
Yes,
Like,
yes,
Inside the
wait, hold up.
pharmaceutical field.
yes.
Okay,
That's
so
why I'm showing.
what is the order of this thing, the map that you put in front of us? What's the order
So
of the
this
map?
is so this was for a pharmaceutical company, okay, and they come to us when they have a medicine which is about to launch, which is in phase 4. So
So
I
what's the
know.
difference between the small letters and the big letters?
Okay, I tell you. So if it's big, this means that a lot of people are talking about this disease or this treatment.
Okay.
And if I click on it, I know who is speaking about this. And if I click on this, I know what they're publishing. So what they're
Okay.
talking about. I can
So
say,
What's the
oh,
difference
please
between
play
the
me on
colors?
YouTube.
What's the
On
difference between the
YouTube.
colors? Oh no,
Yeah.
don't go to YouTube.
Okay.
Don't get.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I get it.
Okay.
I can click on something and
Okay.
I'll get something.
Okay.
But what's the
Okay.
difference between the colors?
Okay, so the colors is just indicating. This is only to better understand the. It's called a word cloud. It's a word cloud, and the bigger the letters, the more hotter the topic, the medical
No.
topic.
Okay, so the hotter meaning like so. Once again, going back to color, what does the color mean?
The color is just to better understand the word cloud. The color, only the size has a meaning.
So the colors don't have anything to do with it, just the
It's
size.
just the size, yes.
Okay.
Can you look up
all right.
Goverstat through that?
Pardon?
Can you look
Well, I
up
kind of say yeah.
Goverstat through that?
Because if we just did all black, it'd kind of be confusing if everything was just black and white.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's a word tag cloud, and what the companies come to us, yeah, because if they have a rare disease, they are looking for doctors who have patients to treat that disease. It's like Tinder. So I'm the Tinder for the pharma industry. Yeah, you are looking for a match. So if you have a medicine which took 15 years and you are about to commercialize, they come to us because we know where there are doctors who treat patients with that rare disease.
Wouldn't it
Got
just
a
be
question.
easier to put it on a list and just be like, this is the one that's
Oh,
closer to
we
being
have a
done?
different way. We have different ways. So for example,
I
in
got a
here,
question real
this is
quick.
so here. This is the doctor. Here, he's
Wait,
Matthew
no.
Moore.
Somebody has a list, or I'm sorry, a question.
Yeah,
I got a
yeah,
question.
sure. Yeah, sure.
So, who's the company that created the cure for cancer that we still can't get out that's on the market like that yet? We know it's one out. We know it's one out there,
It was
but
Disney.
they keep it under wraps.
So honestly speaking, I don't know any company who has a treatment on cancer. They're all working on it, but there is no treatment at the moment. There are something in phase, but nothing which is really available. Not that I know.
So which one is the next hit? Like to you, which one is the next hit? That's what I want to know.
So there is, I told you already, there is one company called Springworks, which is the only medicine. Yeah, they have a treatment. Sorry, Springworks Therapeutics is wrong.
I said that like the automotive industry. That's my field right there.
Springworks Therapeutics, yeah. So Springworks Therapeutics, they have a new drug. We are doing the commercialization in 5 countries, and they have a treatment for medicine. And there is no medicine at the moment. And for desmoid tumors, desmoid tumor is a tumor which is when it grows tremendously. It's not bad, but it's there is no treatment, and we are doing the full commercialization in 5 European countries. And in America, it's already a hit. That stock will go rocket. I know that already because we are doing the commercialization for that medicine. That's what I'm trying to tell you, because we analyze. So, for instance, this doctor, yeah, he treats patients
Billy, where
with
the
heart
fuck do you
failure
find
disease.
these motherfuckers?
Hey,
And
dude,
I
stop
ex-
cursing them out. You could get rich off this. Like, yo, why you gotta curse people out? This guy's giving us
This
$1 million.
motherfucker
I'm
sitting at
not
Hey,
cursing
$36
him
right
out.
now, and I'm
hey, you
getting
like you
boxed.
call a motherfucker a bitch, like, yo, chill out.
Yeah,
What
you
do you
know,
mean?
I can't hear you.
we do AI profiles. This person, I know everything, his certificates, everything. I'm going to become rich anyway because
Just a
I'm
golden
doing.
ticket.
See,
Yeah,
this is why I curse him out.
Hey, I got the ticker
Hey,
symbol.
bless him. Why you gotta curse everybody, dude?
I got the ticker symbol.
Far,
It's
I got a
sitting
question.
at
I got a
$36
question
right
for you,
now.
Far.
yeah, it's okay. One by one.
Omnizilla.
One by.
Okay, Omnizilla. However you pronounce that, Omnizilla. I'm on the website right now, the Brain Station, and it's asking for a
Yes.
username and password. Do you have to sign in order to get this?
No,
You
no,
have
this
to have an
is
account.
something this you cannot get. This is only for big pharma companies. We just sold our platform to Recordati. Recordati is an Italian pharmaceutical company. They launched on 18th of December. I will get all pharma companies, all. There is nothing like this. Because I tell you why. I can search doctors by their expertise of treating a rare disease. There's
Okay,
no
let me.
system like
The part I'm missing here. The part I'm missing here is you're showing us this that only you have access to.
Yes,
I think
because
it's
we have built
great
this.
because it's showing the new pharmaceuticals and their medications. But how do we get that without the amnesia?
So, what I'm going to do is, in billion banks, if you have new startup biopharmaceutical pharma companies, yeah, I can tell you based on who is the CEO, who's the medical director, how they are connected,
He's a
and
fucking
based,
consultant.
yeah. I can say, this
Yeah.
pharma company has a
Yes,
high
Charlie.
probability that will go rocket or not.
That's very good. That's
Okay,
very
check
good.
check
This
Nobody
is
W
with the
impressive.
Okay,
API.
check WINT.
how do we get
Check
access to that? How can
WINT.
we tell what the new companies are? We would have to wait on you to tell us right now. How can we actually look this stuff up so that we see
Yeah,
what
check
pharmaceutical is
WINT
the new
and
med?
see how far it's gonna go.
You
So,
said check what?
I have at
Man
the
is getting
moment.
paid to
WINT.
talk to us right now, just so you guys know.
So what I can do is I can search by healthcare professionals. So for instance, this doctor here, yeah, I know on what conferences he went, where he's speaker, what he's speaking about, yeah, and based on all these profiles, I can generate also a profile on what disease he's an expert. So if the pharma companies come to us for commercializing a drug, I'm on an early seat. You see, because they come to us before the medicine is even a success.
Damn, you gonna make us
Well,
rich,
how do
man.
you? I mean, like, how do we know it's going to be a success?
If it passes FDA.
I'm giving you an example. So SpringWorks,
You're giving me an
SpringWorks,
example.
yeah, I'm giving you an example. SpringWorks came to us, yeah, and they gave us 96 million to commercialize their drug. I know that.
Is that
I'm looking at the
why
stock
you're
right
trying to
now.
sell us on them
Springworks.
right now?
Can you
So,
can you
yeah.
go ahead.
Sorry, what?
No, go
Go
ahead.
ahead. Keep going.
Okay, welcome. Okay, so SpringWorks has, as I told you already, has already a lot of new drug in the pipeline, and they are the only medicine to treat desmoid tumor. If you have desmoid tumors, you have to go to a surgery, and you have to cut it out, or this new medicine.
Did it get through trials?
Yes, it's already FDA approved, and they gave us global data support, BrainStation, and Eversana. Huh? So Eversana is hiring all the people in Europe. Huh?
Wait.
And
When I asked
we
When
you if it
was
went
this
through
approved?
trials,
it went through the trials. It's already approved, and
wait,
it's in America a
what
success.
part of the trial?
It's been through phase 4 and already FDA.
It's already in phase 4. It's gone. It's in
Wait,
the commercialization
so what
phase.
about those other 3 bars?
These are the new ones. They have already an approved one. It's already our products.
Okay.
It's already
Yeah,
been
this is
FDA
already
approved.
done. Oh, this is and we are doing the commercialization for this product.
I mean, I can tell, but
Okay.
like, you know, like why are you?
Go back to that page a second.
Okay. So what we do now is, we are like Tinder. They come to us and say, okay, we
Alright,
give
I'm
you
done with this guy.
96 million. You hire all these people. Yeah, you hire the sales rep, the medical MSL, medical scientific liaison, and you tell us what doctor to visit. And this is our service. And they use our platform. Or we use that platform to do exactly the accounting plan. So if there are new biopharmaceutical pharma companies, they will also come to us for this research.
Who's your competitor?
Nobody.
There's no. There are three competitors. Viva, maybe you know them. They're on the
I
stock
heard.
market. Yeah. Viva, and Viva is they don't have that what we have. And there's another one called IQVIA. I'm not selling my company. There's nothing. I'm only telling you how I can help you on the stock market. That's all.
Wow.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah.
So we've got
Which
a.
I'm down for.
Are you
Pharmaceuticals when they hit are
when
big.
you get somebody that
Yeah,
comes in, a
this
new
guy's
company?
amazing.
Yeah, when
I
you get
got
a
the
new
ticket
company that
number
comes in
for
and
it.
has something that's been approved through phase 4 and
Yes.
FDA approval, are you going to post it in Banking with Philly for us every time?
Coach
So
Coach
what?
Saspar is now a coach. He has his German section up there that he's going to be training
Yes.
in the coach
Yeah,
methods and
I
whatnot.
will. Yes. I will post it in the German section, of course.
Now,
Mhm.
now
So we'll
based
be,
on what you
so we'll
said
be
and
able
with
to,
your knowledge,
and I'll be having him join with me on class and whatnot and study the rest of the coach sections so he can get used to how we put our alerts in organization so we all understand how to read them and stuff like that as well. He'll be fine.
Billy, you know me. I'm
yo,
skeptical as fuck about
based
that
on
type of
what you
shit. But you know, if
Y'all,
it works out, it works out. If not, like I feel like this dude's a consultant.
He
I'm
said,
not a
"Yeah."
consultant.
He is.
dude,
So
I like
He,
how
so
you.
he is
now
a he is a
now you're gonna make
consultant,
me
but
invest on a GALT, man. So now based on your knowledge, man, I'm gonna look at this closely, man.
I'm all. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm all for startups, and I'm all for like something
what do you
that's
mean
gonna
by
be something
consultant? By consultant, do
GALT.
you mean a cop?
So
Is
I
that
give
what you
you.
mean by consultant?
No,
Oh.
Well,
no.
Then
I
what
mean,
I
consultant
care?
dude,
Then
he's
what do?
being
Then
I'm
what do I care about? What is
honestly,
what do we care
I'm not
about? What
selling
this?
any consultancy. Yeah.
What do we care about?
I'm just
No,
telling
no,
you.
I got you, Mr. Sasser. I got you. What do we
Yeah.
care
Yeah.
about what this
Yeah.
gentleman's profession is if he not a cop threatening your freedom?
because it's somebody who's trying to sell you a product, and you need to be careful about that.
It-
So all I'm trying to say is like if he's trying
Like
to push you towards a specific like what's the right way to put it?
well,
A
that's going
specific
to help
product,
you your
like you
research.
just like you need to be a little careful about that, and
Well,
that's
we
all I'm
need an
trying to say.
example
Like I'm
of
not trying
that.
to say like
I'm,
not invest in it or invest in it. All I'm trying to say is like if this man is like being paid to bring this information to us, you need to be skeptical about it, whether you're like
okay.
going to do
I
it
I
show
or
you
not.
something.
understand. I
I show
understand.
you something. I have no problem with it. I'm showing
Yeah,
you
I don't
all
even
the pharma
concern.
I don't
companies
have a
who are
problem
working
with the
with me.
dude. You
Yeah,
know,
no. I'm showing you because you mistrust
that's
me.
why I keep
I'm
questioning him.
I'm
That's why I keep
no, it's
questioning him.
okay. I'm CTO of two companies. One with 400 data scientists in India and 800 developers in Bangladesh. You can look it up on my LinkedIn profile. So I'm showing you now all our clients we have in yeah. I have no problem with it. Yeah.
Yeah,
I got
cool,
So
something to
cool.
we
say
have
real quick.
Pfizer, we have Amgen, we have Galapagos, we have everything.
I got something to say
Everything.
real quick. I said,
I
with
saw
what you're
Eli
doing,
Lilly on there.
I said, with
Yeah,
what you're
we have
doing,
them all. We have
because
all
you're
of
in the
them.
medical field, what's the difference between the information that we're putting in on the FDA news if we already got someone who's working and saying, hey, this product just been approved. Look out
Yeah.
for this information.
We can catch it for his the news.
You can catch it first.
right, and that's what I was thinking. We could catch it first, and anybody who's putting $96 million into advertisement of a newly FDA approved drug, he's right.
Exactly.
Their stock has a good chance of going up, and if we get that information first, then we're on the headlines of that drug or that company.
Hey,
That's all I'm trying to
Sassafras, you're
say,
not
man.
worried
It's
about.
just like
It's like I say, it's that we
I'm
get
just
that
trying to keep you
information
guys
so
conscious.
we
I
can always
understand. I
change
understand.
how
And
That's also
I
okay.
appreciate
I
you
have
for
no
real.
problem with. I have absolutely no problem with that. Yeah, you're absolutely. And Eversana bought in touch for 960 million, and we are the data provider of Eversana. If you don't believe, look at it. I show you.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, so my
I
thing is like,
already get where
even
Okay,
you're
with
coming
what
from.
okay,
Sassafras is saying,
okay.
Yeah,
Let me give you a sticker symbol, WINT. Look at that and tell me what you think, or if you want to throw your company, WINT.
yeah. Look here. Yeah, this is Eversana, and they both the biggest life science agency. Yeah, and we work for Moderna. For here in Moderna, we did a full pitch on Moderna. Huh?
you made money on Moderna,
So
right? You definitely made money on
yeah,
Moderna.
so and Moderna is working on a new vaccine. I'm showing you. No problem. If you
That's
don't
not good.
believe me, I'm showing you our sales pitches, what we do, how we work. Yeah. So hold on a second. This is not the right one.
So
Let me check.
Moderna came to you before COVID, or Moderna came to you
Yes,
during
they
COVID?
come before COVID. They are now working on a new medicine. Yes, of course, of course. And now I told you also here. Here,
What
let
stage
me
are they in
check.
the new medicine, and what's the medicine for?
It's a flu vaccine which is coming.
Okay, stage. How far have they gotten approval?
They said they are not really. They are very early stage. I wouldn't invest in Moderna.
Okay.
CSL Behring has, by the way, the most expensive medicine, which is a gene therapy, 3.5 million. 3.5 million, and they ask us to help them in the commercialization.
I don't see
And
ATLT as good.
Hemgenics is called. I show you.
Hollow stock pulling
You
back.
don't believe me?
I'm up 80% of Hollow,
Uh,
just pulled back about 20-30%. Still
Yeah.
up 40% in the
Yeah.
FFIE. And Plug is having a bit of a pullback as well, down 7% in Plug now.
Yeah. 3.5
so
million.
that's why I
Hemgenics,
sent
and
you.
we.
Yeah, Safar,
Sorry,
I
yeah.
sent you a friend request. I sent you a friend request. Yeah, because like I mean, Motovo, all you could do is just take this information in addition to what you already know. Like if you
Yes,
already
exactly.
validate like it necessarily, just validate. All right, this is gonna. All right, this is what the stocks look. And you know what
Yeah.
foreign stocks do.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
you, you can't stop me from being
So
skeptical.
can you look at
Oh, we
WINT
want
and tell me what you think?
What is the stock?
WINT.
WINT.
Entry Therapeutics.
Okay. Let me check. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hey, but yeah, TJ, you say you be doing the coding and bots and what? I mean, KJ, you say you be doing the coding and bots and whatnot, do you?
No, I could learn. I never done it in my life, but I could learn to do it. If you need something done, like
I do
it's
need many
certified.
of things. I do need many of things. And there's many expansion that we that about to be working on more this year. And if you can master and or want to learn some of those skills, hell yeah, bro, I have a placement for you
Let's
for
do it.
real, for real.
All right,
And
let's
it
do
could
it.
and it
Yeah,
could be
let's do
simple.
it. Yeah,
It could be simple. It could be simple. I recommend that you start working on that. You start studying some either web development. Guys, Mr. Sassfar is actually about to begin working on the Banking with Billy app and our Banking with Billy Metaverse City. By the way, I don't think I told any of you guys that, which is you know how
Yeah.
much I've been looking for that, which is cool.
So BrainStation, we do also computer gaming programming. So BrainStation has we are based in many countries. Let me show you. So this is we are in Asia, one of the top IT companies. So if you buy a Tesla Model 3, we created the app to close and open the doors. Or if you do PayPal on credit buying, this is developers. You can
So
see
what
all
did you
the
find on WINT?
So hold on a second. Yeah, I'm just checking. I don't find any clinical trial, which is really making me concerned.
Okay.
That's already I have already my alarms on that one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not
Thank
good
you.
at all. Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah, I see that already because there is nothing in here, which makes me really worry.
How is this not insider trading?
It is that
I'm not
much. That's
This is
trading
exactly.
all
anything.
official. It's all official. I'm in the National Library of Medicine. There are all the trials in there. Everyone can look this up.
I can tell you how it's not insider trading because he's not a financial advisor.
Okay.
If he was a
No, but does
financial
it? All he has to.
advisor, it'd be different.
No, but he has to be part of. He's not part of any of these companies. Well, he's not part of any of these companies.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
just
but
I'm
Absolutely
just
not.
asking. I'm just asking.
Yeah,
but
no, that's a
I feel
fair,
Yeah,
like
fair question.
they come to you, right? They come to
Yes,
you.
they come to
You
me.
don't
Yes, they come
you
to
don't go
me.
to them.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not an investor in that company. I don't work for these companies. They come to us. It's like I have a new drug, but all pharma companies, all
You
They
are a
don't
good
know.
friend.
They don't have an. You know, if you go to Salesforce.com, all of these companies, Coca-Cola, any company has a customer relationship management system where they have their prospects. So all pharmaceutical companies don't have a database with the doctors. So that's why they buy data either from Viva or from IQVIA. They are the monopolists. What I have done, I took all the public available data and I have built a database with all the doctors.
I see.
Yeah.
You're a fucking.
So
Alright.
What do you
Alright.
see
Alright.
on GALT? I mean, you were talking highly about it this morning. What did you see on GALT?
GLT is really good because they have a good pipeline. They have a treatment
Okay.
which is really, really interesting. Hold on a second.
Okay.
And that's why I really like them. Yeah.
Okay.
And they have many treatments. They have also a good list of clinical trials which are going on. Yeah? Let me show you.
Oh, they've been down 57% the last
And
month. Do you know
yes,
why?
honestly, they are all waiting for the trial exams, and people are afraid how they go out. Yeah,
Okay.
that's the reason. But if they go really good, if the outcome is good, then you see they have trials which are have not started to recruit. Huh? Huh?
I see.
And they are already working on the safety and efficacy. Yeah, they have already safety in phase 1. It's a very early phase, but they have a lot. Yeah, and the other company you just gave me, there's nothing, so that would worry me. I wouldn't invest.
Okay.
And
Okay.
just imagine if you have a trial, the more you're on the phases, the more likely it's going to commercialize. And you always have to think about the population. So either it's a very rare disease and it's high priced, like CSL Behring with Hemgenix, or you have a huge population. Yeah,
Okay.
and there are